What's up, guys, and welcome back to a new stream here on my channel. My name is Dan from Crypto Rover. Thank you once again for tuning into this absolutely amazing new stream here on the channel, guys. Today, once again, we can see the Bitcoin price increasing, but especially Ethereum is leading the way once again here. So like I told you before yesterday, and like I told you before in last week here, we will be waiting for the weekly close for Ethereum. And of course, right now, Ethereum trading around the 3,100 US dollars, guys. This is absolutely looking beautiful, and I have some targets set for Ethereum as well here, and I do feel very excited about it. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in already. Hopefully you're enjoying the live stream here, guys. Today I am going to Dubai as well here, so today will be a little bit of a shorter live stream because I have to go to catch my plane as well later today. But already very exciting day here, and of course I will be discussing the market just like usual. So guys, I will be going into Ethereum because, yes, I do think Ethereum is a very important asset to discuss. But let me start off my thoughts with Bitcoin. So this is my 4-hourly chart with the 4-hourly support and resistance lines here. And guys, what can we see in this chart? And is this showing us some significance? So right away, we'll be saying this to you guys. The structure that Bitcoin is currently forming is the healthiest and best structure I've ever seen in the last, let's say, maybe last month here. Let's say the 7th of April was the last opportunity that we're getting into some kind of the same structure. But guys, look at the market structure, what Bitcoin is currently unfolding here. You can see here, low getting created, higher low getting created, higher low getting created, and also higher highs are getting created as well. So I mean, you want to identify the market structure. Also, we're taking out the previous high. So we already took out the previous high, and right now sending once again a higher low. This is definitely a buying opportunity. And guys, unfortunately, yesterday I could not make a video, and that was also the reason why I could not did in a live stream. So yesterday I made this video, and in that video I told everyone, please, we are right now dropping off here, but please make sure to accumulate your position because this is once again a higher low that we are forming. So for me, there's no reason to panic. And of course, what you can currently see as well here, exactly 4 hours ago we were seeing an insane pump for Bitcoin, and of course Ethereum as well here, and it's definitely lovely to see here. Also right away, you can see lower side is really providing the support, top side providing resistance. So let's see if we can be breaking through the resistance line on the top side. But I do feel very excited about it. So also, like we told you early on as well on the channel here, we are breaking through the EMA ribbon. Of course, we flipped it bullish once again on the 4-hourly candles. And right now we are finding support on it. So this, of course, also very beautiful to see. Yesterday on the daily candles, we were not finding support on the EMA. We already were curving a little bit fast to the upside. I was expecting maybe to go towards the 56K here, because the 56K is come together with this 4-hourly support line over here, and also the daily support line, as you can see on this chart. So I was expecting maybe a move to the 56K here, but we were approximately, let me see, we were exactly 23 US dollars off here. So I mean, I was yesterday in the video giving you, I told everyone in the stream yesterday in the video, 56K should be for me my accumulation level because it's coming together with the daily EMA, and besides that also with this horizontal support line. So unfortunately we were not touching this level, but right away we were curving back up here. So this is already indicating people are greedy, people are willing to enter the market earlier than we are hitting the level. So definitely very good to see, definitely very exciting to see as well here, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do. But I feel definitely very excited to talk about Bitcoin here right away here, because yes guys, you have to know, yeah, you can see the other cryptocurrencies going up in a very rapid pace here, and you want to be seeing, of course, you want to be at the place with the most amount of gains, but in the end of the day, Bitcoin will be always leading the market. And you can see also on the 1-hourly candles, guys, we are getting stealth rejections by this 4-hourly resistance on the 1 hour. We did not even close one single 1-hourly candle above this line here. So let's see if we can do it here in the coming hour, because also here you can see the 4-hourly candle is going to exactly close in 1 hour, and of course we are going to discuss this 4-hourly candle close live together with you guys. And once we're seeing this 4-hourly candle close above the 58.1K, guys, of course we already saw it in the positive, but right now of course we are in this we saw the retracement, so we have way more room to grow to the upside here. And of course here we already saw a significant bump to the upside. So I definitely feel very excited, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do. So that's right away the first thing that I want to be saying. Also, if I identify the MACD, guys, I mean, I've been talking about the MACD on the 4-hour for quite a long time here on Bitcoin, and I was saying to you guys, if we can still create a higher low, I will be extremely bullish on Bitcoin. And what we are currently doing here, of course, higher low, higher low, higher low, and we're currently once again setting a higher low. So the higher low structure is still valid here. Unfortunately, we were setting a lower high here, but this is basically giving us a signal that we are in indecision and that we can still go to both directions. But of course, if you look to the MACD crossover, I think we can get a bullish crossover anytime soon here. And of course, the selling pressure is losing. Of course, because it was weekend, the buying pressure was also losing because yeah, you just have less volume in the weekends getting traded. So I do expect that we can be creating a bigger leg to the upside, especially because, of course, it's a new May, it's month. If we look to the on-chain data, we can see that the miners are done with selling. We can see that the open interest is very low, so they can also not really push the price a little bit, not a lot lower. So, in my opinion, definitely, Bitcoin has a lot of room to grow here, and I can't wait to see what's going to do. But guys, then let me real quickly go into the Cme chart before I go into Ethereum, because yes, I will be going into Ethereum in a second. Because guys, as you can see over here, we are right now filling the gap that we were creating, of course. Last weekend we were creating the Cme gap to the upside, and we are currently heading towards this gap here. Are we going to fill it? Yes, I do think so. So we are already at the beginning of filling this gap here. So guys, of course, the top of this gap is 61.8k here, 61.3k, sorry. So if we're going to fill this gap, this will be still a pretty significant increase to the upside. So I already can't wait to see what we're going to do here, and I definitely feel very exciting because this is still giving us a lot of potential to make even more gains here. And like I told you on the channel as well here, guys, I want to give some more predictions to you guys because yes, I truly anticipate a 70 towards 75k Bitcoin for towards 75k Bitcoin for at least by the end of the month here. Of course, I already think let's say around the 20th of May we will be topping out or so for the coming month here, because yes, usually once we're coming towards the end of the month, we're seeing a cold period getting started. So guys, also we're going to do a new trading challenge once we're going to see the next drop off, once we're seeing the next minor correction coming in here for Bitcoin. I'm saying minor, but let's say 20% correction. I will be also starting off doing maybe a trading challenge. And in the trading challenge, we're going to accumulate the swing trade position altogether, because I've been doing it already for quite a long period of time here. You guys are always saying to me, please Rover, bring us with you, bring us with you. So that is the strategy that we will be using for the next drop off here. And of course, we will be using the same strategy like we did over here, that we were of course adding more to our position once going lower, so that you can of course average in on a very nice beautiful price. So of course that's the strategy that we will be using. So already looking forward towards that. But guys, not right now. Right now, let me discuss some Ethereum. And I see everyone saying, what's up, Dan? Ferdy saying, what's up, Dan? And you see LS. I mean, it feels dirty to sell Bitcoin. I mean, that's completely true. I mean, never sell. I mean, I'm not looking to sell my Bitcoin for this cheap price here. I'm not looking to do so. So, guys, why do I feel so excited about Ethereum? And I also did a tweet, and I said here, my next target is 3,800. And you maybe think, but Rover, that's absolutely a Moonboy target. But let me give my argument. And look at this scenario. Of course, we were looking at the ascending bouldering edge here, and of course, this was of course a beautiful scenario what is unfolding. But we were first creating a big wick on the top side, and the last 2 days in the weekend, we did not create a gap, and we did not create the wick anymore. But we were of course pushing higher and still close the body in a high. So that was of course beautiful to see here. But yeah, guys, we're right now finally breaking out of this ascending bouldering wedge for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. And what is this telling me? Guys, this is absolutely the most bullish thing that I've ever seen here since these past 3 years maybe for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart. So this is also the reason why I said in the title right now, Ethereum is exploding, and this is also my reason why I was tweeting about it, that I definitely think Ethereum has way more potential, because this, guys, is absolutely looking good here. And besides that, I also want to be raising some awareness, because if you look to the Ethereum chart here, guys, if you just purely look to the chart, you can see it is going parabolic right now. If you look to the daily candles on Ethereum, you want to get very careful, because it is going parabolic, and parabolic ramp always, I don't think it's ending yet here, but it always goes up the fastest in the last leg here. So I definitely think, I mean, the 3,800, I won't be surprised if we're just going to reach it in just a matter of 2 days or so, because you have to know how market cycles work, and you have to know how a market structure works as well. And I mean, I think definitely that we can be going parabolic in a very rapid pace right now, already trading approximately around 3,100 US dollars. And I definitely think as well, because we are seeing the breakout here in the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart, and I've been telling to myself, I will be definitely adding big into Ethereum once we're seeing the retest. So I mean, I should be waiting. I will be waiting a little bit longer, because yes, I don't like to buy into parabolic runners, because yes, I mean, I can't say we are not in a parabolic run on the daily candles. And especially also if you look to the 4 hour. The 4 hour, of course, is already going up pretty steadily. But yeah, you can see on the daily candles, we're definitely in a parabolic run-up here. And of course, a parabolic run-up can also end in a very stealth correction. But I don't think, of course, that we are done yet here. And like I told you before, I do think that we can be heading towards 10% of a Bitcoin on the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart. And if we're going to go to 10%, we are seeing a 10k Ethereum once Bitcoin is reaching the 100k. So that's of course very exciting, and I think still a 10k Ethereum is very ambitious for the coming bull cycle. I want to be staying realistic, but definitely a 6 towards 7k Ethereum is definitely doable for this cycle. So right now trading on $3,100, I definitely love it because I already accumulated a lot of Ethereum in the past, and I mean it's been performing so well right now. I definitely love it, guys. I definitely love it. So also, I see a donation coming in here from Rapture, and you're saying is ADA ready to pump? So I will be going into ADA in a second here, because first let me give my argument why I do think that Ethereum is going towards the $3,800. So I mean, I was also talking a lot about the weekly candles here, and this of course the Fibonacci that I set up here. And guys, by the way, I see that we're currently already watching with 800 people, guys. If you haven't already, smashed up that like button. It would be of course very amazing if you're doing so. Also, if you I have not subscribed to the channel yet here, make sure to do so, because yeah, we just reached the 39.8k. That's absolutely insane here. But if we're going to reach the 40k, guys, we're going to do an insane good giveaway here, so make sure to keep your eyes out on it. But yeah, definitely let me go into ADA in a second. But first, guys, let me give my argument why I do think and why I do expect that Ethereum is going to go towards the $3,800 in a very rapid pace here. So right now, we are looking at some extension levels, and this extension level, of course, the 1.618 here, we were not breaking through this level for quite a long period of time here. We couldn't break through this level, but since, of course, we were closing the weekly candles above it, we are right now, of course, we broke the resistance of the $2,425, and we are right now definitely heading towards the next target around the $3,800. So, of course, if we're still going to get a retest, guys, there will be insane good trading opportunities, because yes, in the end of the day, guys, I like to trade here, and of course, if we're getting this opportunity to accumulate an Ethereum position around the $2,400, I don't really anticipate it. But if we're going to see it, of course, also maybe a retest of this lower side of the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart, this will definitely provide us very good opportunities. But in general, guys, I definitely think, because we're right now finally are breaking through the 1.618 here, and it took quite a long period of time, because you can see major rejections first came in here. But yeah, 3,800 is definitely the next target, and I do think that we can be reaching this also in a very rapid pace, because like I told you before as well, yeah, the daily candles are absolutely going parabolic, and I won't be surprised if we're going to reach this just in a matter of maybe 2 to 4 days here. So please keep your eyes out on Ethereum. But definitely, guys, if we're going to reach the 3,800, there will be a major correction as well for Ethereum, because it is going parabolic right now. Guys, you have to be careful. Once you're in a parabolic run-up, it can also end very quickly. So please don't be overexcited, because if you're buying it automized, so you're buying at the price that everyone is in a profit. So there can be a shake at any moment. So please be careful once you're buying into this territory. And I mean, there are a lot of other projects, and we'll be talking about ADA in a second, because I've been talking a lot about ADA, and a lot of people that I'm just, once I'm outside here, they're all asking me about ADA, because I've recently made a video as well on ADA, why I do think that it will be performing very well. I just feel very excited about ADA, and for me, it's not a coin that I should be staying on the sidelines on. So let me start off my thoughts here with ADA, because yes, I see your donation coming in here, and you're saying, hey bro, is ADA ready to pump? So first of all, giving the scenario that we were looking at, of course, this supportive line here to the upside, where we were seeing the fake out, of course, once re-entering, finding perfect support once again on this level. This is looking particularly good here, in my opinion, and of course, the $1.34 is currently the level that we're trading on. But of course, the most exciting chart was the Ethereum compared to Ethereum, ADA compared to Ethereum chart. But let me first discuss the ADA compared to Bitcoin chart. I mean, this chart, of course, we are still finding support on this level. Today, I definitely think we will be creating a wick once again here. But if we can be creating a wick and, of course, move higher, we're seeing a perfect retest, and we can still head higher. So also the ADA compared to Ethereum chart, guys, this is a chart what will be very important, because this is a chart that is very decisive for me, and I don't want to be seeing this daily candle close below this level, because then we are really signifying a breakdown here, and of course that is of course not a thing that I like to see here. So what I do want to be seeing here is of course a wick getting created on the lower side and see a green candle getting printed. And because Ethereum is been performing so well here compared to ADA, we've seen this chart bleeding right now, but still, guys, we're in a very bullish bias pattern, and I can't say that that this falling wedge will be breaking to the downside. I just can't expect it. So for me, I definitely still will think here, like we did also in the past here, we are probably going to create a big wick on the lower side and of course head higher once again. But I definitely don't think that we are going to see a breakdown of this falling wedge scenario. I mean, I truly don't anticipate it, so let's see what it will be doing here. But still, I feel very excited about ADA here. And for me, there's no reason to say ADA will be breaking bearish. I definitely still feel very excited about ADA, and of course, price target is still sitting around to $2. And I mean, right now, accumulating some ADA around to $1.34 is never a bad job here. Besides that, you can maybe even say You can maybe even say that you're creating some kind of a new pattern here in ADA because, yeah, you can be also maybe creating some kind of a continuation pattern. If we're getting correction from this point that we're currently trading on, I definitely think that we can get some. If we're, of course, heading maybe towards the $1.12 here, this will be definitely a very good long trade opportunity. I mean, if you're in a spot trader, you should definitely already accumulate some. But yeah, we are currently trading at new resistance. Of course, this is very speculative because we've not seen the correction yet here, and I do want to see the correction coming in here because then I can really call this one a resistance line. So let's see how this will be ending for ADA, but I will be definitely keeping my eyes out on this structure as well that ADA is currently forming here. Of course, it's on the daily candles, so the breakout, we have a lot of time to anticipate the breakout, but also this will be a pretty significant breakout once we're going to see it. So I already can't wait what ADA is going to do here, and still will be saying it. I will be accumulating the ADA every single day here. For me, I just can't wait to see what it's going to do here. So let me also go into Chainlink because yes, Chainlink is also an asset that we've been talking a lot about, and we have recently seen the breakout coming in here for Chainlink. And of course, since we are seeing the breakout, we are starting a very beautiful uptrend here. And I mean, I definitely love to see this uptrend getting played here because yes, of course, all guys always want to run uptrends. I like to see the charts once it is an uptrend. So very beautiful to see here. Downward sloping resistance line here, multiple touch points. So of course, once you're looking at the breakout target, it's sitting around the $50 US. And since then, we were already creating some volatility to the upside. So it's of course always beautiful to see. Besides that, my trading view is once again glitching. And I see also some donations from Daniel and Decade coming in here. I will be discussing it in a second. Give me a moment. But you can see a Chainlink compared to Bitcoin, it's definitely breaking out of the symmetrical triangle that was forming since a long period of time here. Of course, since the 20th of September, we were forming the symmetrical triangle. Besides that, since we were seeing the breakout, guys, we are starting a beautiful uptrend. We're starting a beautiful uptrend, and of course we were also forming some kind of a symmetrical triangle over here. Since seeing the breakout of that one as well here, we were definitely seeing some more vols who created to the upside. So I still think there's a lot of potential for Chainlink, especially if you look to the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin chart. It's looking still very bright. And I mean, guys, if you really want to be seeing my top 5 picks here for the coming month of May, you definitely want to be seeing this video because in this video I discuss my top 5 picks here for the coming month of May, and these are my picks that I definitely love. And these are not picks because I just say them. No, they are really very personal picks here, and of course I'm exposed to them all big in a big way here. So definitely, guys, I'm not telling you S-coins. I'm definitely telling you guys some very good information. So especially also, I like to analyze the charts here, like you know already. So that's the reason why I was making this video as well here. So definitely worth to check out that video. But yeah, Chainlink compared to Ethereum, also trading on support currently, definitely can still get a bounce from this point that we're currently trading on, of course, because Ethereum is pumping so significantly, guys. What I do expect and how these cycles work, because you have to know how the market works there, guys. Big caps are pumping. The money of the big caps will be flowing to smaller altcoins, and you will be probably seeing Ethereum going sideways and these smaller altcoins absolutely exploding. So probably that will be exactly what will be playing out once again here. Right now the spotlight is on Ethereum. The little bit of the newer players in crypto, they will be buying into Ethereum right now, and I still think that Ethereum has way more potential. But in the end of the day, I do think that a lot of money that is currently in Ethereum will be outflowing to a little bit of smaller altcoins, and we will be seeing them pop as well here. So definitely make sure to keep your eyes out on everything here, because yes, the market capitalization of Ethereum is already 360 billion. So is it really that easy to double your initial? It is way harder, because let's say if you're buying BNB, you only need 100 billion to double your initial, and if you're having Ethereum, you need 360 billion. So yeah, there's a big difference between them. Let's see what it will be doing here, but definitely still feel very excited, of course, about it. And I definitely still think that it has way more potential. But yeah, of course, are you going to make the most amount of gains in Ethereum right now? I definitely don't think so. So, of course, Cardano, like we told you in the beginning of the stream, is definitely also a very exciting asset. And, of course, Chainlink as well here. So first, I see Decade also donating to the channel. You're saying, can you take a look at Anthem? And Daniel, I will be going into your request in a second. Give me a moment. So let me flip it to the 4 hourly candles to really identify something on a little bit of the lower time frame. So let me first look at the daily candles. Yeah, you can be looking at some kind of a parallel channel here. If you look at, let me see, let me set this up here. If you look at the parallel channel, you can be identifying a parallel channel to the upside. So yeah, first of all, you're in a very healthy uptrend. You're setting higher lows, higher highs. So that's already very beautiful to see here. So there's already nothing wrong with the trend, in my opinion. Also, if you set up the Fibonacci here, you can see on the daily candles, we broke through the 0.236 here. And of course, since breaking through that level, you can see right away you're finding a lot of support on it. So, I mean, yeah, you broke all the critical levels of resistance. And the only resistance that is currently trading a friend of us is the previous ultimate sitting around the 2,800, sorry, the $28.5 dollars. So definitely looking very healthy, definitely looking very promising in my opinion, and I can't wait to see what Anthem will be performing like. And this is definitely not looking like a bad structure. And besides that, I mean, if you just wrap up all the charts here, you can also see that we are, of course, starting a new trend here. And, of course, this is not confirmed yet here. But let's see if we're going to create maybe some kind of a symmetrical triangle. I do think that we're going to create some kind of a continuation pattern in the future. But currently, I should really look at the Fibonacci chart. And you can see we're trading above the 0.236 here. And it's definitely, again, provide us some more momentum to the upside. Besides that, also on the daily candles, you can see the MACD is curving back to the upside, higher low getting formed here. But unfortunately, we're also setting a lower high in the hours in the momentum wave as well right now. Of course, this momentum wave is not ended yet here. So it can still take out the previous high. It would be very important for me because then we can be identifying a new uptrend here. Besides that, also having a bullish crossover on the MACD right now, I definitely feel very excited about this one. And I think if I look to the 4 hours, it's even looking better. Not necessarily. It looks to be that it's right now going into a downtrend. Of course, really depends on how this the next 4 hourly candles will be going here. But of course, the coming 4 hours are not looking particularly strong here. Maybe you're forming. I mean, maybe you're forming, it looks to be forming that you're forming once again a parallel channel to the upside and you're really steadily consolidating. So, I mean, it's looking very healthy. Nothing special is going on here. And yeah, of course, you're still trading above the 0.236 here. So it's still looking healthy. And yeah, let's see how it will be performing like. So also, Daniel, Donate2 channel, you're saying, can you please look at Crypto.com here? So let's go back into Crypto.com because, guys, yes, I've been talking about Crypto.com every single day here on the channel. I also, once I was talking about my top 5 picks here, Crypto.com was also one of them. And I mean, there are multiple reasons for that. I mean, still, if you just remove all the drawings, you can still see that we are clearly in uptrend. We're still setting a higher low here. And of course, I was talking about the golden pocket entry, the 0.382 here, quite a lot here. And I was very happy that we were breaking above it 2 days ago. But unfortunately, we're seeing a Bitcoin, of course, freaking out a little bit here and dragging the price action of Crypto.com with it. It was, of course, very unfortunate to see here, but you can see that we were closing below the golden pocket entry, and that's pretty unfortunate because we're doing it so right now. We are, of course, finding some resistance at the golden pocket entry once again here, and you can see here you found some support, but yeah. Once you're already breaking below it, you will be seeing some more corrections coming in here. And it's pretty unfortunate to see here, but definitely on the 4 hourly candles, it's looking particularly healthy because you're setting in high, low, high, low, high, low, high, 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 high. So yeah, I mean, I can't really say it's a bad structure that you currently can see here on the price section of Crypto.com, and it's definitely looking very healthy. And yeah, let's see how it will be performing like. But I definitely think that yeah, we are currently on the 4 hour in a very nice uptrend. And if I flip also onto the MACD here, you can see, yes, we were in a very beautiful uptrend, but unfortunately, right now on the past 4 hourly candles, you can see we're setting a lower low than the previous low. So, of course, that can be an identification that we were maybe cooling off in the buying strength, and that there are more sellers currently entering the market, and that we can be pushing a little bit lower. So, let's see what we'll be doing here. This is, of course, not giving us the best signal here, but if I look to the daily candles, also, the daily candles is definitely in a downtrend. You can see here lower lows getting formed here, but of course, we're always having a bullish crossover on the MACD here. So let's see if we can be really, yeah, of course, invalidating the downtrend and, of course, start a new uptrend here. Will be, of course, very important for me. At least take out the previous high over here. Let's see how it will be performing like that. I mean, I still feel very excited by Crypto.com here, but of course, the daily and 4 hourly MACD is not looking particularly good here, but like I told you as well on the channel, guys, I definitely feel very excited about it because I always think about the long term. And if I think about the long term, I definitely think it has way more potential. And I mean, you should be looking out for Crypto.com because, I mean, guys, there will be some more token burns coming as well here. So keep your eyes out of it. And of course, I don't know if you know it already, but this was the last. This here was the last token burn, and you can see once they were announcing the token burn, it was approximately an increase of 106%. So I mean, for me, I won't be surprised if we're going to see it once again anytime soon here. So keep your eyes out, of course, to come. You want to be adopting early. You don't want to be a late runner, and that's the reason why I'm still exposed to it and still going to sit on it and not going to sell it anytime soon here. So Let's see what we're going to do, and let's see what the chat is currently saying here. Ethereum is going to be 1K. I mean, I don't think so. 1K is now a target that I should be looking for. So, can you look at PancakeSwap? Of course, I will be looking into PancakeSwap in a second because yes, like I told you before, PancakeSwap is also one of my top 5 picks for the coming month here. So, guys, let me quickly go into XRP because yes, XRP is also an asset that I like to discuss here. What you can see currently with XRP here is, of course, still basically the same that we were saying 2 days ago. I still think that we're heading towards the $1.71 here. I definitely want to be seeing a daily candle close above this line. Of course, after that, some consolidation above it, and then we can be looking for the next target around to $2.09 here. And also, like I told you before, guys, if you're not having any XRP right now, I think it's a little bit irresponsible. And I mean, I'm also sitting on quite a lot of XRP currently, and I still definitely think it can be going towards the $3 anytime soon here. So definitely for me, no reason to sell my XRP. And also for the people that are still willing to do it, you can be still also leverage trading. You can also be leverage trading it once again on Femex. So if you want to be signing up with the Femex link in the description, if you want to be signing or with Bybit in the description, definitely worth to do so because yes, guys. I mean, you can't once again say that I was not spelling that we were opening along. Once I was opening along around the 48 towards 50k here, people were calling me crazy. But yeah, right now everyone wants to be doing it. So please make sure you can still accumulate your long position. But like I told you before, here's a good strategy. What I should be doing here is dollar cross averaging into a position. So set a limit order, set another limit order below it. So if you're really going to fall, you're going to get filled. And of course, averaging in on a very nice price. So that would be the strategy that I should be using. But I definitely feel very excited about XRP currently. And I definitely still think that we can be going towards the $3 like I told you before on the channel as well here. And besides that, guys, if you look to the weekly candle close, unfortunately, we were not breaking through it, through this critical level of resistance. But I still think, yes, we can be breaking through this level. And we're currently trading on it once again. Of course, we still have six days to go before closing the weekly candle here. Let's see what it will be doing here. But yeah, if we can be closing at above here, guys, yes, I definitely feel very excited. Because then we are breaking very critical resistance. And of course, we are already in a downtrend since 2018. And let's see what we will be doing for XRP. But I definitely think that we can be switching the downtrend to the upside anytime soon here. So definitely very exciting. But yeah, the next major target as well here for XRP is really around the $1.98 here. But yeah, definitely it's an uptrend, and I like to try it. I like to trade the trend here, and the trend is your friend till it ends. And I currently feel very excited about it. And maybe we're even going to do something like this here. Maybe we're going to create a huge symmetrical triangle. And this will be also very beautiful if we can see this playing out, of course. I don't really anticipate it, but if we're going to see something like this playing out, of course, we have more time to anticipate the price action of XRP to open our position. And that will be, of course, only spelling us bigger gains here. So let's see what it will be doing here. If it's going towards $1.98 right now, I should definitely embrace the opportunity. But if we're going to see a consolidation playing out here, guys, we can be opening a trade altogether. And that will be also very exciting. So, I mean, a lot of exciting things ahead of us. And I can't wait to see what we're going to do. And I see a lot of people are talking about XRP. I see a lot of people talking about Ethereum. Is the good time to buy right now? And I've been going into Ethereum in the beginning of the stream, guys. And I will be right away reacting to every single one here in the chat who's currently saying, should I be buying Ethereum? And my reaction to say, should you be buying Ethereum or should you be buying a different asset? And I mean, guys, you're seeing the screen right now. You're seeing the screen right now. And what can you see here? What can you see here? What is this structure? This is a parabolic structure. Do you want to be buying into a parabolic run-up? Do you want to be the one who is going to wreck City? I should not be the one who is going to wreck City. And like I told you before, yes, I don't think, I'm still holding Ethereum as well. I don't think that the Ethereum run-up is over yet. And we're definitely going to go higher. We're definitely going towards the, I think we're going towards the 3800 before seeing a major correction. But of course, in the end of the day, the bull cycle is not over yet here. And just like, if we're going to top out of this parabolic run-up, I do think that we are going to see not a very stealth rejection, but of course some consolidation. And after consolidation, we're definitely going towards the new all-time high once again here. So yes, if you're willing to buy your Ethereum right now, you should be buying it, but you do not have to I want to be having a mindset for, let's say, the coming 3 months. Let's say you're buying Ethereum right now, but you definitely want to be holding it for 3 months, because otherwise I don't know for sure if you're going to be profitable. Because yes, we are in the middle of a parabolic run-up, but yeah, the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart is absolutely looking beautiful in my opinion, like I told you before. Because yeah, you can see a pretty beautiful outbreak here. And yeah, you have to also just keep in mind here, we're currently in a parabolic run-up, but aren't there different coins that are currently can give me better returns? Yes, I do think so. And like I told you before as well here, how it always works here, guys. Money from the big caps flowing into the lower caps here, and of course, that is always how the cycle works here. That's always how the market develops. And I mean, on which side do you want to be here? Do you want to be on the side of Wreck City, or do you want to be on the side of Gain City? And I mean, I will be on the side of the gains. And I mean, let's see what we'll be doing, of course. But I do think, of course, already seeing a 25% increasement for such a big, large cap here in the past 7 days, it probably can be also seeing some kind of a cool-off period. But like I told you before, 3,800 is definitely not out of the books. But is it really going to give me the best returns? Because if Ethereum is going towards the 38, towards 3,400 US dollars, I definitely think that there will be some other assets on the market that will be even performing better. So guys, please be careful. Please be careful. But yeah, definitely we're seeing once again a new ultimate getting created for Ethereum, and I truly love it, guys. Don't get me wrong. I truly love it. Don't get me wrong. I truly love Ethereum, but I don't just think that it is going to give me the best return. So I see also a lot of people right now saying in the chat here, new ultimate. I see also True saying, Rover, did you see YLD dip this weekend? I topped out on 71 cents here. What's your target for reaccumulation? So I mean, first of all, let me go small off potion. I took some profits on 30 cents here, like I told you before. I shifted this to YLD, only 70 cents. It was exactly the perfect time here, and I definitely still will be accumulating some more YLD. And I mean, I've been saying this every single time here, guys. We are once again in an uptrend. We are in an uptrend. You're getting a correction, and people are still willing to stay on the sidelines. And then for me, I'm not going to do so. I mean, I will be only accumulating more and more, and you have to know there's still so many things getting launched there. Of course, they also right now got into the Polygon network. There's a lot of companies that are putting their faith into YLD as well here. They are buying up YLD. It is definitely an asset that I will be riding at least towards the 4 towards 10 US dollars. And I mean, we've been the point here is that I've been talking about it every single stream. What was sitting around 50 cents, 60 cents, 70 cents, and even of course a week ago once it was sitting around $1. Then no one is willing to buy into it. Right now, everyone is willing to buy into it once sitting around $1. But right now, no one is talking about it because people think, oh no, it's already done. But no, right now is the time to buy because you want to be buying low, right? You don't want to be buying high. So once again, saying this, accumulation is of course once kicking in for me. I mean, even though it's already my biggest asset, I mean, I'm putting so much faith into this project, and it's also maybe because I spoke with the CEO, I spoke with their team, and I feel very excited about the project, and I just think, guys, this can be this has very good potential, and that's also the reason why I just keep buying into it. So very exciting. But yeah, definitely lovely, guys. Where to buy YLD? I buy it on Uniswap. But guys, in the meantime, I see that we're currently watching with 1,200 viewers, guys. If you haven't already, make sure to smash up that like button. It would be amazing because, guys, today it will be very exciting. If you want to be doing it today, it will be, of course, very cool. Guys, if you want to be following me on Instagram as well here, I'm going to Dubai later today, exactly in 4 hours, I'm going to take my flight. So, guys, in 4 hours, I'm going to take my flight to Dubai. So, I already can't wait for there. So, make sure to keep your eyes out on my Instagram because there, of course, I'm going to give you some updates. What I'm going to do in my life here, if you're interested. And definitely make sure to check it out here. But yeah, I mean, don't forget to smash up the like button. Guys, I always have to remind it. And Ethereum, well, Ethereum is setting a new all-time high, guys. Oh, whoops, that is my bad here. Well, Ethereum is setting a new all-time high, guys. It would be amazing if you're smashing up the like button. I mean, let's celebrate Ethereum with hitting that like button, guys. It would be amazing. It would be amazing. Let's see. Ethereum is flying again. Yeah, I mean, 3,134. And there's also a donation from Troy coming in here, and you're saying, what are your thoughts on Polkadot? So let me go into Polkadot. But yeah, first, yeah, Ethereum, of course, still keeping... So Ethereum still flying, but you can see Bitcoin is also increasing very significantly. Let's see how the 4-hourly candle will be closing, guys. If we will be closing above the 58.1k here, this will be definitely very exciting in my opinion. So first of all, let me go into price action of DOT. So yeah, DOT is maybe forming some kind of a descending triangle here on the daily candles. Besides that, guys, I've been talking about the Polkadot compared to Bitcoin accumulation levels. And of course, major resistance, major support. So, I mean, I was always talking about this gray box over here. Definitely good accumulation levels already. We were already touching this level. I don't think it's right now too late to buy. Polkadot definitely looking very exciting. Also, if you look at Polkadot, you're definitely creating a downsloping resistance line. And this downward sloping resistance line can be pushing down the price, of course. But yeah, you're also creating maybe some kind of an upward sloping support line. This can be coming together anytime soon here. If this will be coming together, we can maybe see some kind of a breakout. Of course, what I would like to see here is maybe a rejection from the top side and another touch on the lower side, because I just don't think the lower side is showing us enough significance. But if we can see another touch of this level, this will be definitely a very beautiful symmetrical triangle in my opinion, and we can definitely see a big breakout. Of course, this once again on the daily time frame. And guys, I like to look at these charts on the daily time frame, because if we can see this one playing out on a daily time frame, you have to know. What you're seeing, such things playing out on a daily time frame, it will be only showing us more significance as well. If you set up this level over here, guys, there are major levels of support and resistance that we still have to be breaking. Of course, this daily level of resistance over here, as you can see, resistance, once breaking above it, support, and we are still having that level above us. So that will be also major resistance for the price action of Polkadot. And of course, let me also right away set up this top level over here. I mean, there are multiple levels of major resistance and support, and it will be definitely very exciting to see what we're going to do here. Also over here, major support below us, and you can see also the support line over here, finding support, and here also support. So it's definitely very cool to see what we're going to do here. But for me, it will be very important to break above the 39.5 US dollars. If we can be breaking above that level, I mean, first of all, we're breaking the downward sloping resistance line. Second of all, we're breaking this horizontal level of daily resistance, and of course, we can be looking to find some support on it. So for me, it will be very, very important to break above the 39.5 US dollars, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do. And I definitely feel very excited about Polkadot. So yeah, also Polkadot compared to Bitcoin. For me to flip extremely bullish on Polkadot, I definitely just want to be seeing, of course, the breakthrough of this top side of the gray box here. Or if we can see this breakthrough on the top side of this gray box here, it's definitely going to show us very good potential gains here. And of course, if we're going to do so, like we did previously, the market structure is very similar. Look, the market structure is very similar. You create a top, you go lower, you touch the top, you got rejected, and you're breaking above it. So here, creating a new top, got rejected, move lower, and right now we're going to retest it once again here. So let's see what we'll be doing here. But definitely, guys, like I told you before, and this is also my reason why I do think the cycle, it tends to, like Polkadot tends to move in waves, and I definitely think if we're going to touch this top side once again here, of course, we are having a third retest, and the more times we are retesting a certain level of resistance, the more likely it will be that we're going to break it. And it will be very exciting if we can be seeing this breakthrough for Polkadot. I definitely think we can be getting this. And of course, like I told you before, Polkadot moves in waves. And especially if we're going to have a retest, I definitely think we're going to break through it, because this is, of course, already the third touch here. And if we can also have a retest, of course, on that, it will be, of course, a perfect buying opportunity if you don't want to be accumulating late. That is definitely already a very exciting day here. And I mean, Bitcoin is moving up pretty significantly, guys. This is definitely very exciting to see here. This is definitely very exciting to see. So let's see what we're going to do here. Definitely feel very excited about it. Also, if we flip it back to the 4 hourly candles, what are, of course, the most important candles currently that we can be looking at. And of course, guys, we are only 31 minutes away here. And I see Crypto Aaron tuning into the stream here. Dean Harvey as well here. I mean, guys, it's really amazing that you guys are once again here. Crypto Aaron, thank you for tuning in here. Hopefully, you're going to have an amazing day as well here, guys. I hope you guys all going to have an amazing day. At least I'm going to have one. I mean, I already can't wait here for this day. I definitely love it. I definitely like these days. I definitely love it. So, man, watching this chat, all crypto is going to the moon. Will be exciting, of course. Let me know what you guys want me to look at. Currently, of course, 30 minutes away before closing the 4 hourly candle, guys. One of the most important candle closes right now for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is moving up very significantly. You can see Ethereum is following because Bitcoin is absolutely pumping, guys. Bitcoin is absolutely pumping. Do we love it? Yes, I love it. And of course, let's see as well real quickly to the Bitcoin dominance, guys. Let me go real quickly look to the Bitcoin dominance. You can see we are having once again this retest of this gray box of support. We're going to close this candle on the 3-day candle here on 16 hours here. So are we going to, guys, let me know, are we going to break below this gray box of major support? Because yes, this was the W neckline here. And of course, also in the past, a lot of support was getting, we're getting a lot of support. And once again, I have to reload this real quickly. But guys, let me go back to the chart real quickly. Let me go back to the chart real quickly. And are we going to break below this gray box of support? Are we going to break below? Let me know real quickly in the chat. Because if we're going to break below this gray box, guys, we're absolutely heading towards the 35% approximately for the Bitcoin dominance. And of course, there will be another 13% blind share. Or are we going to get a supportive bounce here? Let me know real quickly in the chat. And guys, everyone is saying in the chat, whoa, Bitcoin, guys. Yeah, absolutely cool what Bitcoin is currently doing here. Bitcoin is indeed moving up very significantly in a very rapid pace right now. Nice big up for Ethereum. I mean, yeah, Ethereum is also increasing. Ethereum is definitely still increasing, guys. But yeah, very exciting days, guys. These are the days that we've been waiting for, and I mean, definitely crushing it with the trades that we currently are taking, and I mean, accumulating trades over here. Once seeing a bullish diverge playing out here, guys. These were very. Let me know if you were watching as well here. Let me know where if you were watching as well here, because I was saying to you guys, we're having a bullish divergence. The MACD is giving us a bullish crossover, like we were looking at the MACD here, guys. I mean, we were, of course, analyzing the MACD very beautifully, and we were saying, okay, guys, we are currently setting a higher low. This is definitely looking good. Selling pressure is losing. I will be accumulating my long trade opportunity. And everyone was calling me crazy, but look at where we are standing right now, guys. It's absolutely beautiful to see. So also, hi, Carson. Donating $50 to the channel here. You're saying good luck in Dubai, Rover. Excited for your new journey. Everyone hit the like button for a green candle of the size of the Burj Khalifa. I mean, that will be absolutely insane green candle. So guys, you have to know it. Hit the like button hit the like button if you want to be seeing the next green candle to be the size of the Burj Khalifa. That would be, of course, very amazing. But thank you so much, Hayek, for donating to the channel. And yeah, thank you for wishing me a very good luck on this journey. Because yes, for me it will be also will be also a new period of my life. For me, it will be a new journey here. So I can't wait to see what I'm going to do here. I'm going to be there exactly for 1 month here, approximately. 3/4 weeks here, so it's pretty a long period of time here, and of course I will be definitely loving it. I'm going to do a lot of fun things here, of course. Also still going to make every single day good videos, good live streams for you guys, but then from Dubai. So I already can't wait to see what we're going to do it. And of course the streams here for you guys that are curious, they will be approximately 2 hours later, because there's a time difference over there. So I mean, I already feel very excited about it, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do. And guys, because you guys are right now hitting that like button, Bitcoin is even increasing more. Guys, it's like like Hayek is absolutely expecting this. It would be, of course, very cool. It would be, of course, very cool. But very cool, guys. Thank you so much for hitting that like button once again here. I mean, already 300 likes here. But yeah, definitely will be very exciting. Very exciting journey. So, let me see. Yeah, Bitcoin 58.7k here. Yeah, we're absolutely increasing very significantly. So Tolerance also donating to the channel. You're saying, can you check Stellar Loomis? So let me go into Stellar Loomis real quickly. Let me go into Stellar Loomis. Let me see what we are currently having here. So we were particularly in a very healthy trend to the upside for Stellar Loomis. We were, of course, consolidating for quite a long time, not doing anything here, basically. Broke to the all-time high, retested it, and then Bitcoin was, of course, freaking out with that, these red days, of course. And Bitcoin is 58.8k, guys. We're absolutely moving up here. Very beautiful to see. Very beautiful to see. But you can see right now for Stellar Loomis, we are knocking on the major gray box resistance once again here. And, of course, this resistance line is very important in my opinion. And let's see if we can be breaking through this level, because if we can be breaking through this level, guys, I will be feeling very exciting about it, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do here, because this is a major level for Stellar Loomis. And if we can be seeing, of course, this breakthrough, of course, we can be really identifying a new trend up here. But second of all, guys, right away we'll be saying this. You're probably going to set a lower high in the RSI right away. Because yes, we were seeing a big correction, and probably if we're going to set a new all-time high, we're going to create a huge bearish divergence. So that is already a thing that you want to be very careful for if you are looking to the price action of Stellar Loomis. Also, MACD is definitely in a downtrend on the daily candles. You can see a lower low getting created, more selling pressure coming into the market. But if you then identify the 4 hour, the 4 hours basically, we are currently starting a new uptrend. First of all, you can see bullish crossover come in here. Second of all, higher low getting formed here, higher lows getting formed here, and higher highs. So this is looking particularly good here. And it looks to be that you're in an uptrend, of course, also since the 18th of April, you can see over here that the selling pressure was losing, and we were, of course, regaining buying strength here. So let's see what we'll be doing here. But definitely, the 4 hourly candles are looking particularly good here, and I already can't wait to see what we're going to do here, because I do feel very excited about it, and I think we can be definitely moving up a little bit more here. But of course, we are currently trading at major resistance, so don't expect that we're easily going to crush through this level. If we're going to get a rejection, I mean, I should definitely look to accumulate some more once really reaching the 37 cents here. But definitely feel very excited about it. If we can be breaking through this level, finding support on it successfully, we can be definitely looking for newer prices. And you can see also from the past, if you identify the market structure of Stellar Loomis, You've been seeing this multiple times here. Of course, top side providing resistance, lower side, previous all-time high, finding support, moved up, find support on the lower side, of course, moved up, find support on the lower side. And of course, since Bitcoin freaked out over here, it was pretty unfortunate because otherwise we probably were moving up higher. But yeah, right now we are going to crush through it once again, probably, and of course find support on it and look for higher prices as well here. So yes, I definitely feel very excited about Stellar Lumens, and I don't see reasons for me to be bearish on it. So also a coin that I can't be bearish on is Bitcoin. I can't say it. I can't say it. I gotta hit the gym here. Catch the rest of the stream later. See you, Rover, Aram, and Deem. So Drew, see you later, man. Hopefully, you're going to have a good session. Definitely worth to go to hit the gym, man. Good luck, bro. Hopefully, you're going to do a good job. So Betsy also donated to the channel here. Betsy Darren, you're saying please check Medic and skill. So I will be getting into Medic in a second. Let me see. Good times. Of course, there are always good times once Bitcoin is increasing significantly. I see also a lot of requests for BNB coming in, guys. Let me quickly go into Medic, because Medic is, of course, a very exciting layer 2 solution, because they recently got launched. They recently launched it. You were also seeing this significant increase in price here. But after this, I will be definitely going to discuss some BNB, because yes, I still think BNB is also an asset that you want to be talking a lot about, because it's just a very promising asset. So what do I think about Medic? Of course, I do think that Polygon Medic is a very good project. But is it a little bit overextended? Because we're seeing this significant pump to the upside getting created. I do really want to be buying into it, but I just think it's the way to overextend. So that's the reason why you should not be buying into it right now, in my opinion. Because yeah, you can see also the RSI of the 4 hourly was sitting around the 91 in the RSI index, and of course that was also the reason why you were creating huge bearish divergence. And if you're creating a bearish divergence, that can be definitely pushing down the price a lot. And currently, if you're going to go higher, you're definitely going to create a bearish divergence once again here. So, I mean, the indicators are not looking particularly good here on the price section of Medic, because it was increasing so significantly in just one push up here. But yeah, definitely I like the fundamental worth of Medic, and I definitely think the layer 2 solution that they're currently having, of course, is a very exciting thing here. And of course, also the sidechain from Polygon Medic is also on YLD. That's a very exciting. So you can see here, you have a sidechain to Polygon, and if you're not familiar with this is basically a sidechain, and on this sidechain you can send very cheap, cheap Ethereum transactions. So it's definitely very cool, definitely worth to check out, definitely worth to read something about it. But what do we exactly think about Medic? Yes, I think it's a very good potential coin here, but besides that, I do definitely think that we're probably going to see, yeah, probably the $1 getting reached here, but I don't really think it's a very good buying opportunity that you're currently getting, because it's just way too overextended, and of course it's going to create huge bearish divergence. Also on the daily, it's going to create huge bearish divergence. So yeah, I mean, for me, I would really would love to see the $1 getting reached here. But once reaching the $1, I should definitely be very careful, because once reaching the $1, guys, I think we're definitely can be seeing a major correction coming in for the price section of Medic here. So that's my reason to say, please be careful with it. So let me go real quickly into BNB. And I see also Pim donating to the channel. Pim, I will be going into your request after that. Give me a second. We'll be going into your request after that. And guys, in the meantime, I see, guys, we are very close with reaching the 40k, guys. Can we be reaching the 40k today? Will be, of course, very amazing, because today will be the day that I'm also leaving the Netherlands. Will be amazing if we can reach the 40k today, because yes, guys, there will be a 40k giveaway. We will be giving away 2 ledgers and also 2 amazing marks here. So if you want to be doing so, it will be absolutely insane if you can do so. You have to know already, if you will be the lucky winner, it can be taking approximately a month or so before you really will be getting your ledger, because I also ordered my ledger, and before it is at my place, it probably will be taking 2 to 3 weeks here, because they're all out of stock. So please, you will. This is no fake giveaway. You will be definitely getting it, but it will be taking quite a long time before I can ship it. So make sure to, if you want to be participating in the giveaway, to already join the Discord, and also hit that subscriber button, because if we can be reaching the 40k today, we can be doing the giveaway today, and it will be, of course, very, very exciting. So guys, only what I can see, only 140 away, so we can definitely reach it today, and even 120 right now, guys. You are absolutely smashing it up. It just updated for me, so definitely make sure to check it out here. Only 20 away before reaching the 39.9k, guys. We're very close. We are very close, and if you haven't already, make sure to right now smash it up. Definitely worth to do so. So what are we seeing with BNB? And I see also Shano donating to the channel. But what is currently going on with BNB? Are we seeing something very exciting? Are we seeing less exciting price action? I definitely think that we are seeing very beautiful things right now currently playing out here. So first of all, BNB compared to Sorry, first of all, BNB compared to Bitcoin, you can be approaching the chart a little bit different here. You can see we are forming a rising wedge here, and if we're going to break down from the rising wedge, of course, it's very likely to see a breakdown from the rising wedge for BNB compared to Bitcoin. This will be, of course, quite bearish and can be pushing down the price a little bit here. Let's see how this will be ending, but definitely want to be seeing a break to the upside. Second of all, we were looking on the daily candles towards this symmetrical triangle slash ascending triangle. Really depends on how you approach it. I would rather say it's a symmetrical triangle. So yeah, you were seeing the breakout, and of course, target sitting around $710. I can't wait to see once we're going to reach it. I definitely think we can be reaching it anytime soon here, and I will be looking to see this target getting reached here. So it's already a very exciting times to see that target get reached. Of course, currently, we're only 11% away from it, and I definitely think we can be reaching it rather sooner than later. So, very exciting days ahead of us, and of course, we're seeing the breakout. And of course, yesterday, we're seeing, of course, this level. And guys, we've been talking about these horizontal daily levels. These are very important in my approach. These are very important in my opinion. The $596 is definitely a very important level that you want to be looking at, in my opinion. And you can see here, we yesterday also retested this perfectly, and we moved up once again here. So that is the reason why I'm recently also looking a lot to these daily charts. And I think the daily support and resistance is, of course, providing very good buying and selling opportunities. So, yes, I still think right now, after this perfect retest as well here, we're definitely heading towards our price target, and I can't wait to see once we're going to do it. And BNB is still an asset that you want to be holding. So, I see also Pim donating to the channel. You're saying, with the lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC settling, Ripple might be going IPO. So yeah, settling, first of all, if XRP is going to settle the case, I think it's a good decision from them. Let me see what you're also saying. Some big whales are also buying into XRP. What are your thoughts on Ripple? I mean, of course, it really depends on the lawsuit. But in general, I've been talking a lot about XRP, that I feel it's very irresponsible to not just own a little bit of it. Of course, we were already buying into it as a channel. Around the 50 cents here. We were making special videos about it. We were doing it every single day in the live stream. So, yes, I do feel very excited about XRP, and I definitely think, like I told the channel as well here every single day, we're going to reach $3 very sooner than later. So, I mean, I don't feel bearish at all on XRP. Of course, the lawsuit is maybe also providing us very good buying opportunities. We'll be taking quite a long period of time here. But yeah, like you say, the whales are entering XRP. As long as the big players are buying something, I will be buying it as well. And that's exactly what Bitcoin is about, guys. As long as the institutions are buying Bitcoin, I will be on the side of the institutions. I will be on the side of the big and smart money. And that is, of course, the side that we are currently trading on. So that's definitely very exciting. So, also Shane donated to the channel. You're saying, morning Dan, when do you think YLDs will be starting moving? I invested 1K as a gamble. What is a good realistic price target? Thank you. So for me, I have a different strategy. I will be, of course, dollar cost averaging out of this out of the YLD. But of course, I will be always holding 20k YLD, but definitely will be taking some profits once it is going higher, because otherwise, if you're net first recurring profits, you're not going to crush the market, of course. But for me, my first take profit target will be around the $2. Of course, will be taking very minor profits. Then, of course, $4 and. I mean, you're maybe calling me crazy, but I mean, I will be really taking big profits once reaching the 20 towards $30, and I still think that we can be literally getting a 20 to 30x with this one. And the reason why I'm saying this, because I like to compare these projects to different projects, and these projects go out of nowhere parabolic, and especially once a Bitcoin fund is getting launched, and once more funds are getting launched, and of course also once the Binance listing is coming towards our way, because it looks to be that we're probably going to get one. It is definitely very exciting, and I already can't wait to see what we're going to do. And that is also the reason why I'm sitting a lot on it. And I just will be holding. And I mean, even if we're going to, let's say, 50 cents once again, guys, I will be accumulating more. And I definitely would love to see the prices going lower, because the lower the price is going, the more I can accumulate, right? So for me, I will be definitely taking some profit. I will be dollar cost averaging out once every $2. So $2, $4, $6, $7, sorry, $8. So for me, nowhere close to take profits. Nowhere close to take profits on this one, but definitely looking forward to see where it is heading towards. Do you think it will be starting moving? Yes, like I told you before, I also made this video. I think the month of May will be very exciting for YLD, because approximately towards May, they will be also releasing the Bitcoin fund, and I think also there will be a Binance Smart Chain bridge as well here, so they can get launched on PancakeSwap as well. So I think there are a lot of good things coming towards us in the coming month of May, and I think that has a lot of influence on the price as well. So that is the reason, yes, I do think May will be a very good month for this coin. And of course, like I told you before, April was a bearish month for the coin, and the reason why here is because they had an airdrop, and that was of course pushing down the price, and that is also the reason why I was making, I was putting it in this video, guys, because I just feel that's a good asset, and you don't want to be missing out of it. So that is the reason why I just also, yeah, even bought more of it, and also told you guys in the video what are my top 5 picks for the month of May. It's definitely YLD as well. So very exciting, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do. And I think if you're not holding any of it, I think you're probably going to miss out this very good on very good potential rewards. So that's the reason why I already can't wait to see what we're going to do, and I do feel very excited about it. So also Jaden donating to the channel. Jaden, thank you for your $5 and you're saying I got into Bitcoin for a long trade on the 56.6k here. So first of all, you're crushing it, my friend. You are already crushing it. You're already crushing it, my friend. And you're saying, is there any downside to adding more to that open position? I'm a beginner too, so forgive me. So Jaden, I already think, we were discussing it as well in the video, but you can see it. The 56.6k here is a perfect level to accumulate, because this is first of all 4 hour resistance over here, 4 hour resistance, 4 hour resistance, 4 hour support. Sorry, also 4 hour resistance, and also it's in general a very good level yeah, it's in general a very good buying opportunity. Also resistance, and right now you're of course very likely to find some support on it. So is there any potential to add more to your position? In my approach, what you can be doing here. My friend Jaden, what I should be doing, of course, first wait for the 4 hourly candle close. If we are going to close this 4 hourly above this 58.1k, what we are definitely going to do so, in my opinion, you can be really adding some more ones reaching the 58.1k here once again, because yes, we cleared this level of resistance. As you can see in the past, it was providing a lot of resistance, and right now we're seeing a clear breakthrough. So if we're going to get a retest on this line, definitely worth to accumulate, and it's definitely in my opinion 58.1k good level to add some more to your position. And of course, don't get too greedy, don't add too much to your position, because otherwise your average entry price will be way higher. So please only add a little bit to your position. So of course you can still make more gains here, but don't be overexcited always, don't become too greedy. So that's of course not a strategy that I can be using here on the channel here, guys. Not a strategy I'm using here on the channel. So, let me see. Bake. Let me look into sorry. Let me look first into cake. Let me look real quickly into cake, because yes, guys, cake is definitely an asset that we've been talking a lot about here as well, and the reason why I've been talking a lot about it is because they took out they're currently handling more volume than Uniswap. And if you quickly look to Uniswap, sitting around the market capitalization of $23 billion, and if you look to where PancakeSwap is sitting, of course sitting around the $6 billion market capitalization, I think it has way more potential. Binance Smart Chain. More projects are getting launched on it. More projects are willing to get launched on it because it's just way cheaper, more reliable. And that's also the reason why you can see that PancakeSwap is increasing so significantly in the past days here. So what you can see as well here, $43.1 is definitely providing the 2.618 here in the extension levels here. You can see since reaching the extension level of the 2.618 here, aka the $43.1 it provided a lot of resistance, but is this really done here? Yes, we are still in the parabolic run-up, but if are we already in the parabolic stage? No, I don't think so. Are we already reaching my price target? No, not even close, because yes, guys, I told you guys, I think we can be heading towards the 70, towards $80. And the reason why I feel so excited about this one, of course, like I told you before, the Binance Smart Chain is growing, the volume they are handling is growing. So for me, there's no reason. My fundamental heart is currently saying you want to be exposed to PancakeSwap. But if you look to my technical heart, I do say, yes, we are way too overextended. Of course, consolidating after such a huge run-up here is only going to provide bearish divergences that are going to getting created. So yes, I do think that you want to be very careful with PancakeSwap right now, because yeah, I don't like to buy into the highs. Of course, I was looking at it around the $27, and I was of course currently buying into it over there, right, already in good gains. I'm not going to sell it because I still think it has more potential. But if you're going to buy into it over here, you have a big risk to maybe also make a loss. And That's of course not a good strategy I should be using. So please be careful if you're buying into it right now. But still, I definitely think 70 towards $80 is definitely a target that we're going to reach, and I can't wait to see what it's going to do like. And for me, I will be feeling very excited about it. I will be not flipping bearish on it yet here, guys. I feel very good about it, and also the chart. Not looking bad at all. Maybe some kind of a barrel channel. Maybe some kind of a bull flag currently playing out here. Let's see how this will be ending like. But definitely very exciting. Of course, you can see a pretty significant run-up getting started. And if we're going to see a breakout once again to the upside, we can maybe be slingshotting this one to the 58 US dollars. So let's see what we'll be doing here. But definitely, I don't think the run-up is over. And I feel very excited about it. So, Xander also donating to the channel. You're saying, what do you think about ZAC? Let me look into this coin. I don't know exactly what this coin is here, so let me give you my quick thoughts about this one. So there is not a lot of information about it. I mean, there is quite a lot of information. It got launched on the July 2019. And what can we see since then? Of course, since approximately December, since the real bull market started, because I will be saying December is the day that we were getting started in the bull market. We were seeing a pretty significant run-up getting started here. And of course, you can see right away, we're forming a very beautiful uptrend right now. We're forming a very beautiful uptrend, and we can be seeing a very nice momentum shifts coming in here. And also, if you can look over there, you can be maybe looking to somewhat of an ascending bouldering wedge here. And guys, of course, ascending bouldering wedges, they usually tend to break to the downside here. But also, like you can see with the Ethereum, they also broke to the upside over there. So for me, it's very hard to analyze the chart because the charts, the candles are not that beautiful in my opinion. So daily momentum is definitely to the downside. 4-hourly momentum is also shifting to the downside. You can see lower low getting created, lower high getting created, lower low getting created as well here. Also bearish crossover on the MACD currently. So that's on the 4-hour looking not so strong here in my opinion. And also on the daily candles, we are looking to have a bearish crossover over here. Still in the downtrend, still setting a lower low. And also a lower high. So in my opinion, this chart is currently not looking that good here. And also because we were seeing a pretty significant pump previously and right now correction. If we're going to go higher, we're also going to see a very significant move to the downside also getting created here. So please be careful with this one. I just don't really like it at the moment. So let's see what we're going to do. But for me, it's very hard to give my thoughts about this one. I don't like the charts, how it is currently unfolding here. Yes, you can be saying maybe to me, Rover, but you can set up a Fibonacci. But yeah, I don't think this Fibonacci will be showing a lot of significance because, yeah, I mean, it is showing some significance. Of course, you're finding support at the previous high here. But it's for me very hard to spot the extension levels. Of course, if we're going to go higher, there will be a lot of struggles to break through the top side of this resistance line over here. Of course, we have some more resistance, some more support below us, as you can see over here. Because yes, the previous levels of previous resistance will be flipping into support right now. If you just look at the horizontals, and you can see right now, once you were creating this top over here, once going lower, you could have already looked at the previous highs over here. These were, of course, providing very good buying opportunities. And yeah, since then you're moving higher. So yeah, I mean, you can't say that the trend is to the downside. You're still setting higher lows, but you can see on the MACD that the buying strength is just losing currently. So it's pretty unfortunate to see. But guys, I see we just reached the 39.9k here. Unfortunately, YouTube updates a little bit later. But guys, I just see that we reached the 39.9k here. So we're exactly 100 subscribers away before reaching the 40k, guys. I can't believe it. I will be getting very exciting. So then I get another donation to the channel from Raffle. You're saying, look at Basket Coin. And I mean, Basket Coin is a very exciting asset in my opinion, very exciting asset. And I've been looking to it recently. I've been doing my research on it myself as well, because yes guys, I'm not standing still here. I'm also looking at a lot of projects, and I think you want to be looking at this to this one on CoinGecko. Let me look at it. Basket Coin. This Basket Coin is definitely an asset that I do feel very excited about. And you're maybe wondering, but Rover, why do you feel very excited about it? First of all, it's a deflationary token, guys. It's a deflationary token. I know it. Let me go to their side real quickly. Let me go to this side. Because this is let me see, Raphael, this is a very exciting coin, because what they're basically doing is that Basket Coin, once you're buying Basket Coin owns, let's say, yeah, 25% Bitcoin, 25% Ethereum, 10% Polkadot, Smart Key, YF, Finance, USD coin. So you're basically investing in a fund, and they invest for you, and with the profits that they're making with your basket, the profits that they are making, they're going to buy back Basket Coins and they're going to burn it. So that is the reason why I do feel very excited about it. You can see it's deflationary coin here. So if Bitcoin is going to increase in a very fast pace here, this Basket Coin will be increasing only faster. So I think this is definitely a very exciting coin here. And maybe I'm going to also make a special video about it, and I definitely think it's a very good asset, and it's been also performing already pretty good here. It was sitting on 40 cents just approximately 2 weeks ago, so it's definitely an asset that I will be looking forward to see how it will be performing like, and I think it has way more potential, and that is also the reason I truly love it. I truly like this coin, and I think this one will be very exciting. I think this one will be very exciting. But guys, everyone's saying 40k in the chat here already, but guys, you can see it right now. It's updated here. We are exactly 39.9k, guys. We're so close. We're currently so close to reaching 40k, guys. I already can't wait, guys. If you just haven't already hit that subscribe button, make sure to do so right now. Because, yeah, I mean, 40k, guys. That's absolutely insane target. 40k, I just can't. It's absolutely insane, guys. Thank you already so much, of course. We haven't reached it yet, but already thank you so much. That's also the reason why we're going to do this giveaway. So, fun times. Donate to the channel. You're saying cup of coffee with a thumbs up. So, thank you so much for your supportive donation. Thank you for $5. Of course, I truly love it. But guys, let me look at the 4-hourly close for Bitcoin, because this will be very important. 4-hourly close, exactly 4 minutes here, guys. And this 4-hourly close will be very important in my opinion. I mean, we're definitely not going to see a correction of $700 to the downside. So this is looking like a very beautiful 4-hourly close here, and we can definitely see some prices towards the 61.3k here for Bitcoin. So 61.3k is for me my next major target, because if you also flip onto the VPVR, the visible range, volume traded, you can see right away, if you just zoom out here, and you can see that we did not trade a lot around these levels. And if it will be updating real quickly, yeah, you can see over here, we did not trade a lot about around these levels. Above the 59.4k, now I mean above the 58.4k, there's not a lot of trading going on over there, and we can be moving through these levels a lot here. And you can see also over here, guys, you can see over here, the 56.4k is a major level of volume getting traded over there, and that's also the reason why it's providing such a good amount of support. And you can see it as well playing out here, finding perfect supports, finding very good supports, finding very good resistance. And I mean, it's definitely very exciting what you can see once again with the VPVR playing out here. VPVR, very important indicator, very important indicator to look at. So yeah, let's see what we're going to do. Definitely very exciting, and I can't wait to see what's going to do. Like, so for hourly candle, guys, two more minutes, and you know, last few minutes of 4-hourly candle usually very, very volatile, and hopefully we can be seeing some more volatility. I see someone saying, I sub with all my 3 accounts. Pim, you're a true legend. 40k giveaway, yeah, guys, I already can't wait. So, I mean, for the people that are wondering, I will be not opening the giveaway live in the stream, because I'm very busy. I'm very busy right now, because once the stream is done, I right away have to go to the airport. So, once I'm at the airport, guys, I will be opening the giveaway, and if you want to be participating, the giveaway will be opening for maybe 2 days or so. But definitely, I will be, of course, tweeting about it as well. And I see also Quad donating to the channel. What's your opinion on Polkadot? We'll be going into it in a second. But guys, I will be not opening the giveaway right away once reaching the 40k. But you will be you have to keep your eyes out on the Discord server, because in the Discord server there will be a special thread, and I will be tagging you guys as well over there, where you can be participating. And then of course you don't have to participate in just in 1 hour. You still have, let's say, 2 to 4 days or so before the giveaway will be closed. So we'll be opening it as soon as possible once reaching the 40k, of course. But I will be also discussing it tomorrow in the videos, tomorrow in the streams. So definitely you have enough time to participate in the 40k giveaway. But definitely I wanted to tell you guys this, because I'm not going to do it instantly. I'm going to open a giveaway in the Discord server, because I just want to give you guys, and I want to give the whole community the time to participate, right? Because otherwise it's not fair in my opinion. So let me see. There are a lot of supportive donations currently going in here. Let me wait a minute here, because I definitely want to be discussing the 4-hourly candle close. Let's see where it will be closing, and after that we'll be going to give my opinion about Polkadot for Quad, and after that I see Fukons and Betsy and Philly donate to the channel. So let me look at Bitcoin, guys. 45 seconds before closing the 4-hourly candle. Let me also take a quick sip of my water. No, the giveaway should just be for the live chat, that's why I'm saying. I mean, yeah, it would be also very cool. But guys, I also want to be giving it back to the whole community. So, the giveaway is on the Discord, right? Yes, guys, you have to keep your eyes out on the Discord. And if you haven't already joined the Discord, you can be joining it right now in the pinned comment in the description. Will be, of course, very amazing if you can do so. Don't go to Dubai. I'm sorry, I will. We need you. I mean, guys, Don't worry, I will be streaming every single day still. Once I'm over there as well, I will be still streaming every single day. So Yes, we closed the 4-hourly candle, guys. Beautiful candle close. And what you can be doing right now for the people that are... I saw some tweets coming in, or some questions coming in here. Where should I be adding more to my position? Like I told you before, 58.1k is definitely providing you opportunity because we clearly broke through it. And of course, we can be looking for higher prices right now. And especially because we're right now in this clear uptrend, definitely worth to do. So already took out the previous high, guys. A higher high structure, higher low structure is definitely looking very valid. And I can't wait to see what we're going to do. So... let me go. What are my thoughts about Polkadot? I mean, I'll already discussed Polkadot at the beginning of the stream. Polkadot can be maybe forming some kind of a continuation pattern. We can be maybe looking at the symmetrical triangle. Of course, we have this downward sloping resistance line. We can be reaching it. Of course, we also have this horizontal daily resistance line over here that we have to be breaking around $39.5 US. So major resistance ahead of us. Let's see if we can be breaking through it. If we can't and we're going to see a correction, then we will be just solidifying for a major symmetrical triangle. And of course, we can be seeing a beautiful breakout. So either direction that we're going to go towards, I definitely feel very excited and I can't wait to see what we're going to do. So hopefully we can be looking for some new higher prices anytime soon here. But of course, still major resistance ahead of us. You can see here major... resistance got played over here, major support as well. So if we can be really breaking above the $39.5 US, I definitely will be feeling very exciting. And of course, this is for the daily candles, very important. And after that, we can be looking for some higher prices. So already feel very excited about it, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do. So who comes donating to the channel? You're saying AXPire. Let me right away search up the tag here. Is partnership/staking announcement today. Told you about it at 40 Satoshis. Amazing project with insane potential, very professional. So very exciting. Very exciting. It's already been performing very good, guys. But you have to know, I'm getting a lot of people are saying to me a lot of good projects. So for me, it's very hard to look at every single one of them after the streams, etc. But let me quickly look at the... Yeah, I mean, you told me on 14 Satoshis. That's pretty insane, man. 40 Satoshis. It was giving you a very good buying opportunity. But yeah, let me identify the trend here on the US dollar chart. I mean, it's very hard to... I mean, these charts are very hard to read because you can see over here, it's not really showing me a lot of significance. Let me also go in on it on... CMC here real quickly, sitting on 12 million market cap. Still very low market cap here. Very low market cap. But yeah, staking announcement. That you're saying partnership announcement today. Very exciting, what you can see currently. So yeah, daily candle still having a downtrend. I mean, it's very hard to analyze these charts here, but I can give you... I mean, it is showing us a clear continuation pattern that's currently maybe forming over here. So it can be forming some kind of a symmetrical triangle, of course. A continuation pattern that currently can be forming over here. I mean, yeah, it's very hard to identify this chart. Probably the MACD. I mean, it will be not very accurate, this information, because the information on the charts is also not very accurate. So, but I mean, on the MACD, it's giving me a sign here, saying a lower low in the on the sell pressure. And also lower high on the buying pressure. So it looks to be that we're currently starting a new downtrend. So this is of course quite shocking, but with that announcement, it can be pushing up the price pretty significantly. So hopefully it's going to play out well for you. Yeah, let's see what we're going to do. And you're saying it's a very it has a lot of potential. It's a very professional project. Let's see what we'll be doing. But for me to really believe in the project, I want to be seeing some more market capitalization, because then, yeah, right now it's still a gamble for me. And of course, I did not did my research yet here. Maybe it can give you very good potential rewards, but let's see what it will be doing like. But for me, I will be taking it very careful with this project. But of course, if you're going to make gains, very beautiful to see, of course. So also donation coming in from Betsy Dairy once again here, Graph and T-Cells. I will be going to the Graph because there are a lot of requests here, so I will be only discussing one per super chat here real quickly. So the Graph here. Very exciting still. I love the graph. I definitely think it's a very important asset that you want to be holding. And I mean, on the weekly, you can be maybe saying it's forming a bull flag. So weekly is looking particularly good here. Still, guys. On the daily candles as well, you're forming a downward slope resistance line over here. Maybe some kind of a descending broadening wedge here, but let's see. Ascending broadening wedge here, definitely very exciting to see. But what are you currently seeing with the momentum? For me, it will be very important. For me, it's very important to say when is the good time to buy into GRT, because yes, GRT is going to spell us for probably very good potential rewards here. But what you can currently see here, I definitely feel very excited about GRT at the moment, because we're sending higher lows, so this is basically telling us, yes, we are losing selling pressure and we are moving up pretty significantly. So let's see what we'll be doing here. But guys, also a thing that I want to get quickly into the screen here. Let me quickly fix this. Because I also want to do this. Let me see if I can get this into the screen. Let Let me see. So yeah, I mean, it's very exciting, of course, to see. And I'm quickly fixing something. Guys. Let me see if it's still working. Because I want to be getting the live subscriber count as well on the screen. Because guys, yeah, we are very close. And of course, it's making me feel very exciting. And always once we're seeing it, I just want to eat. Yeah, here it is on the top level of the screen, guys. On the top level of the screen, you can see it. We are very close. And I can't wait to see what we're going to do. Guys, currently sitting on 39.9k and 33 subscribers. Guys, when we reach the 40k today, it will be amazing if we can do so. So let me continue the thoughts. Here for the price section of GRT here. So guys, let me go here. Of course, you're setting higher low structure, like I told you before. We're setting higher low. Selling pressure is losing, but buying pressure is also losing. So maybe we're, of course, having some continuation and a big move is ahead of us. So let me also identify some moves that is currently maybe playing out on the 4 hourly candles in general here. And what you can see right now on the 4 hourly candles playing out, of course, you're setting still higher lows, higher highs as well. So the trend is definitely reversing right now. I mean, GRT was looking particularly good here because I feel still very excited about it. Because it's been moving up so significantly. You can see we were taking at the previous high, and it was, of course, making me feel very exciting. And unfortunately, yeah, you're moving down once again. You're still setting a lower low. So for me to really call a reverse on GT, I just want to be seeing once again previous high getting taken out here and setting really a higher low structure. And we have not seen the higher low structure yet playing out for GRT. So of course, this is still telling to me we're still losing buying strength. And I want to be seeing more strength coming into the market. And guys, yeah, I mean, yeah, already 41 subscribers, so yeah, we're coming very close with the 40k, but definitely want to be seeing a higher low structure getting formed here, and definitely want to be seeing the price is moving up as well here, so I can't wait to see what we're going to do here, but definitely feel very excited about it. And as well here, of course, you still have now this major downward sloping resistance line that you probably will be finding a lot of resistance on once you're going to reach it. So yeah, let's see what we'll be doing here. Also, if you flip onto the MACD here, sorry, if you flip onto the EMA ribbon, that was the incorrect candle here. You can see on the daily is flipping bearish, and of course we're right now trading above it once again. So probably this one will be flipping into the green once again anytime soon here. And once we will be doing so, we will be, of course, we'll be finding even more support on it. We're currently already finding support on this one. Broke above it, retested, and right now finding support on the EMA ribbon. So I definitely think on the daily candles we can even already move higher, especially because Bitcoin is right now moving higher. It will be just dragging. It will be dragging the price action of GRT with it as well here. So as well, if you identify these levels of daily resistance here on the top side, let me real quickly set this up here. You can see here major daily resistance, of course. Also a lot of daily support. And let me remove the EMA ribbon real quickly. Because it's very important for me to set up here. Because then we can be looking at major support and resistance targets here real quickly. I guess, yeah, this will be very important for me. To just identify these levels of support and resistance, because once we're falling or once we're increasing, we can be looking at a very good way here where we're currently standing on. So I mean, also if you look at this chart, you can see we got rejected by this level multiple times here, but yeah, we are trading above it and right now finding support on this level. So I definitely think we can be heading towards the next level around to $1.88 here. It's looking good here. Horizontals, daily support levels, daily resistance levels, it's looking particularly good. It's looking particularly bullish, and I already can't wait to see what we're going to do. But definitely very exciting, guys. Definitely very exciting days ahead of us. So then I see Finley more donating to the channel. You're saying, can you check fourth, please? So guys, I see a lot of still I have four more requests to go to. So I have a lot of work to do here. But my friend, right away we'll be saying this to you. There's not a lot of information on the chart, so I mean, for me it's very hard to give my opinion on this. Of course, yeah, you are currently forming a down slope resistance line, also upward slope support line. So yeah, maybe you're very close with reaching an apex. I mean, I don't really like this scenario that you currently can be looking at, but yeah, maybe it's ready for a breakout anytime soon here. But I mean, my friend, it's very hard to give my thoughts about the chart with not a lot of information about it. Of course, it's currently on the 4 hourly candles, and you can see it's not a lot of information that we can currently see here. So yeah, let's see what it will be performing like. But for me, please, if you're requesting some charts here, give me some more information about it. And if I also look to it over here, it's probably recently got launched here. For 21st of April. So it's just looking around the corner, already having a 271 million market cap. So that's of course quite a lot already. So let's see how it will be performing like. But for me, it's very hard to identify a trend or so because we just have a lack of information. So Ricciardo also donating to the channel, and you're saying, can you check ICX? Reef also look to be breaking out anytime soon. So let me first look at Reef quickly, because yes, we've been looking at Reef. Yeah, you can see Reef is definitely an asset that I will be looking at. I will be discussing to you guys because thank you for notifying me, Ricardo. I think Reef is a very important asset because you can see over here, almost breaking out, guys. It will be providing a major buying opportunity of an approximate increasement of 30% approximately. So definitely very exciting, definitely very cool to see here. But let me go into ICX. Let me go into ICX. If you want me to go a little bit more into depth about Reef, please let me know in the chat. But guys, yeah, I mean, we're only 47 subscribers away. Only 47 subscribers away, guys. We're very close. We're very close. So what are we seeing currently with this chart here, with ICX here? So I mean, this one is also particularly beautiful to see, in my opinion. Beautiful to see. Let me do this on the 4 hourly candles, because yes, I definitely think the 4 hourly candles are also yeah, well enough. Let me do it on the daily. Let me do it on the daily. So on the daily, we're forming a beautiful resist line over here. Also a beautiful supportive line to the upside. So yeah, I mean, it's once again creating a continuation pattern, and of course you can be looking towards the Fibonacci that we can be sending up over here. And of course, if you look at the Fibonacci, maybe in the 4 hour, it's probably going to show us a little bit more significance. You can see here, golden pocket entry got supported multiple times here, once breaking below it, finding support on 0.5. This is just looking like a very healthy trend here, and I can't wait to see what's going to do here. But you can see big wicks getting created on the top side. I can't wait to see where this is heading towards. But definitely, yeah, you're trading still getting supported by the golden pocket entry, trading above it. So that's already a very good and beautiful thing to see here. But besides that, yeah, you're trading against resistance, and this can definitely push the price a little bit lower. And also, if you look to the MACD here, yeah, you're still on a downtrend on the MACD. You can see lower highs getting formed here, lower highs getting formed, lower lows getting formed. Daily is definitely in a downtrend. Daily is not looking healthy. 4 hourly having a bearish crossover currently, seeing some more static pressure re-entering the market. You can see here lower high structure, lower low structure also coming in here. So please be careful with ICX here currently. If you look to the MACD, it is really giving me an indication that it's probably going to see a reversal to the downside. If you look to the daily EMA here, it's looking particularly healthy still. 4 hourly EMA finding support on this level, so 4 hourly EMA, but also looking very good here still, finding support on it. So let's see if this can be really providing us the boost through the breakout of this resist line on the top side. So let's see how this will be performing like. But I definitely yeah, still feel very excited about this one. But still, yeah, like I told you before, momentum on the MACD is looking like we are going to see more downwards momentum kicking in for this price, so please be careful. Because yes, guys, I like to trade with trends, and the trend for this one is currently looking to go more to the downside. So let me discuss audio as well here, because audio is also a coin that we've been talking also quite a lot. We've been discussing it quite a lot on the channel. So what you can see for the daily candles, guys, we'll be performing with audio was this falling wedge scenario. And you have to know here, falling wedges are very bullish bias patterns. And you can see the potential price target was, of course, a potential move was approximately a move from 100% to the upside. And from the point that we're currently trading on, it's still a 50% move to the upside. So audio, of course, already since breaking out of the falling wedge here, we were moving up. And it's, of course, very lovely to see. And we can't see the ticker. Wait, you can't see the ticker? You couldn't see the ticker. You can see it. We have the watermark in the screen here, guys. But guys, yeah, someone is asking, why do you see the live subscriber count in the screen here, guys? It's because we're so close to the 40K, and I definitely want to be reaching the 40K. That's the reason why I set it live in the screen, guys. We're exactly 44 subscribers away, guys. I mean, that's so close. It's so close, 44 subscribers away. I mean, I just can't wait to see once we're going to reach it. Of course, 40K giveaway is coming, guys. And I mean, let's see what it will be doing here. But let's see what it will be doing. But of course, falling wedge getting creative here. Seeing the breakout right now, I definitely still think that we're going to reach price target. So I mean, I will be anticipating, yeah, a little bit of more momentum shift to the upside here. Also, if you flip onto the MACD here, I mean, MACD on the daily is looking particularly healthy, and the reason why I'm saying this, of course, you had this significant drop-off. That's not all too bad here. After a huge parabolic run-up, getting this significant drop-off, I mean, I won't be surprised. I see also Dean Harvey talking about FX. I will be going to FX once I discuss all the super chats here. But guys, yeah, you can see here high low getting formed here. So this, of course, giving this us the first signal of a reversal, and this, of course, very beautiful to see. Because yeah, what this is basically telling us, this is basically telling us that we are losing the selling pressure and that the buyers are re-entering the market. Of course, we are still in a downtrend, but let's see how the next days will be ending here. But definitely, this is the first reversal sign here. Also, the MACD crossover is bullish, and that's looking particularly healthy on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour. Maybe we'll be starting a downtrend here. You can see also almost a bearish crossover on the MACD here. And besides that, we're setting a lower high on the 4 hourly. Yeah, the buyers are losing strength currently because we're setting a lower high. So let's see how this will be ending as well. But don't get overexcited on this one. Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. Sorry, what I'm doing. But audio. I don't know what I'm doing. So audio, for me, I should be, of course, still staying on the side list because probably if we're going to go, yes, I truly anticipate that we're going to see this previous high getting created because, yeah, this the price tag of the falling wedge here. But for me, yeah, we will be also creating big bearish divergence because, yeah, we were pretty overextended by them. So for me, I do anticipate that we're going to see a lot of consolidation because usually... Guys, usually after a parabolic ramp, you're just going to see a lot of consolidation before really going to see another parabolic move to the upside. So please don't get overexcited on this one. But still, yeah, I do think that, yeah, the price target is probably getting reached here. But once reaching the price target, we're probably going to see a massive correction. So please be careful and don't get overexcited on this one. So, Angel, also the new to the channel. Angel, you're saying, is it now a good time to open a medium-sized leverage long on Bitcoin 4 to 5x here? And what is a good level to place a stop loss? So I've been talking about these medium-sized positions for Bitcoin to open your position, and the reason why here is, guys, because I've been talking a lot about the funding rates, and the funding rates are very important to look at once you're, of course, willing to open your position on Bitcoin. And guys, yes, the funding rates are currently shooting a little bit higher, and that is, of course, already a little bit unfortunate, of course, because, yes, you want to be accumulating them once they're sitting low. And I still think, yes, it's right now still a good time to accumulate your swing trade position, but this is completely like expected, and we've been saying this, guys. We've been talking about these funding rates sitting so low for all the time. Once we were sitting this low, I mean... If you were watching the channel every single day here, because, yeah, we are doing these live streams every single day. Unfortunately, yesterday we couldn't. But, yeah, we are doing these live streams every single day. And we were saying to you guys, yes, I'm accumulating my low-size leverage long here for Bitcoin, because it's right now providing us a buying opportunity. And still, yes, you are getting one. And for me, I should be really entering one on the 58.1k here, because if you're willing to open your leverage long position on Bitcoin, 58.1k is definitely a very good support level that we can be heading towards, and of course finding very nice support on. I don't really, of course, if we're not going to reach it, it's unfortunate you missed out here. But yes, I don't think it's too late to accumulate your swing trade position, because yes, for me, I only see Bitcoin going higher and not lower. And of course, you want to be trading with the trend. The trend is your friend till it ends, and if the trend is not ended yet here, we're just getting started. So guys, yeah, I mean, I still feel very excited by Bitcoin. Of course, already recovered to the 58k here. Definitely very good and beautiful to see. And definitely not going to stop anytime soon here. And yes, I don't think it's a bad time, especially let's say you're using a 5 to 4x here. If you're opening it already over here, it's a very good job here. And you set some limit orders around to 56.5k. So if we're really going to fall that low here, you will be averaging in on a better price. And you set also one on the 54k. If we're really going to fall that low here, you're averaging in on a very nice price. And I don't anticipate it, but if we're going to do so, you always have a backup strategy. And I think, yeah, accumulating your position right now is definitely can be providing you a move towards new automized. And of course, if we're going to curve to new automized, it's already approximately a 12% increase. So it's definitely worth to check out here. And for me, if you also want to be signing up, guys, you can be using the referral links in the description. If you're also signing up with Bybit right now, the highest link in the not the highest link in the description, but if you go to the description and you see the Bybit referral link, guys, you're currently getting a $1,080 bonus. You're getting a $1,080 bonus here currently if you're going to sign up with Bybit. So it's definitely worth to check out. The biggest deposit bonus ever in the history of crypto. So I mean, even though if you're not going to trade here, guys, make sure to already sign up your account, because if you're going to trade, let's say in the future, you already set up your account and you can be using it to still get this insane good deposit bonus. Because yes, 80 of it is a welcome bonus, so you already get it, and 1,000 of it is a deposit bonus. So it's definitely worth to already sign up if you want to be getting that $80 bonus as well here. So guys, yeah, we'll be seeing you guys over there as well. And I mean, if you want to be accumulating swing trade positions, why should you not accumulate the bonus as well here? So it's definitely worth to sign up already, even though if you don't like trading, you can be already signing up your account to get the welcome bonus. So very exciting. XRP will be keep going up here. So Dean Harvey is talking about XRP. Well, it will be also going to FX. But first, let me discuss the super chat here. But Angel Taurus, I don't think it's a bad time to accumulate your swing position. But XRP definitely an asset that I should be looking at, and not looking to sell anytime soon here. Not looking to sell anytime soon. Not looking to sell anytime soon, guys. So, Iron Man donating to the channel here, and Iron Man, you're saying thoughts on DigiByte, what to watch for for Ethereum Classic. Will we let me see, or what do you mean, etc., or do you mean Ethereum Classic? I don't know. So, love the content from Australia. Thank you so much, Iron Man. But let me go into DigiByte. First, let me look where it's currently sitting on. For I think P60 or so. Oh, P61. P61. Very close. Very close. So 2.2 billion market cap. Of course, it's been increasing very significantly. I've been holding my Depoist for such a long period of time. I was holding not a lot of it. I was buying it as well 2018, 2019. I was buying into it just for hold purposes. But yeah, right now been performing very well here. Let me go into DigiBuy. Also, Lionel E donated to the channel. So yeah, DigiBuy, of course, been holding such a small amount of it, but it's right now becoming a serious amount of money. So yeah, that is what you get once you're accumulating in the bear market, of course. Of course, we don't even have all the information on this chart, so I don't want to be getting all the information, to be very honest. So yeah, of course, this one. Oh yeah, I mean, we don't have all the information, but let me go back to that chart because I mean, I truly let me get this the previous chart in front of me, because I do want to be getting all the information so we can be yeah, making a better chart, because with more information we can be, of course, also yeah, making a better opinion about the chart. So let me search it up. I mean, sometimes it's very hard to find the perfect chart here, guys. Let me see. It's very hard to find the perfect chart. We don't have it. We don't have it. So unfortunately, I have to deal with this one. So let me give you my thoughts about this chart. So first of all, we set up the Fibonacci tool here, and we've been looking at it on the daily candle. So unfortunately, I can't get the full chart in front of me. Maybe give me the tag here, give me the pair in the chat if you know what the exact pair is of the full chart. I definitely want to be also taking with me what in 2018 happened, of course, because then, of course, we can be maybe setting up a swing high to swing low Fibonacci to really identify the best extension levels. But yeah, it's just going insane indeed. And I mean, I see also Ethereum, of course, increasing still. And people are saying Ethereum is going insane. Yeah, of course, guys, we are seeing it. We are absolutely crushing it with Ethereum as well here. And of course, the 2.618 here, guys, for DigiByte, currently sitting on 16 cents, 16 cents, of course. But you can see here daily candles providing major resistance on this line here. We got major resistance over here, and yeah, of course, today it looks to be that we're maybe can be breaking through. But yeah, if you learn from the past, we have been seeing this daily wicks on the top side all the time here. So for me, it will be very important to see this daily candle close above this 2.618 here, because then yeah, we are clearing this extension level of the Fibonacci. So if we can be clearing this extension level in the Fibonacci, guys, we can be looking for higher prices. But yeah, you have to know forming a bearish divergence currently, so please be careful with this. But yeah, if we can be closing above the 2.618 here, I definitely think we can be heading towards the 2.618 here. And that is, of course, the 19 cents here, the next extension level. So definitely feel very excited about it. And that will be another 30% increasement in price here. So yeah, that's, of course, very close to be reached already. But yeah, definitely be careful with the bearish divergence that we can be possibly playing out here. I mean, probably on the MACD, we're seeing a very bearish crossover currently. I mean, MACD on the daily is giving us a bullish crossover, but we are still setting a lower high here. Besides that, we're also setting a lower low. So I mean, for me, this not looks like the most beautiful chart here, because yeah, we were creating a big bearish divergence, and I just don't like to create big bearish divergence, because that can be definitely pushing down the price pretty significantly. So let's see how this will be ending, of course. But second of all, yeah, you're also creating a beautiful upward sloping resistance line here. It's also providing resistance. But yeah, I do think the major resistance is just here because the 2.618 extension level, and of course we already got rid of a lot of sell orders, so that's beautiful to see. So hopefully we can be finally breaking through this level. Congrats, Rover, with Ajax. I mean, yeah, congratulations for everyone who's an Ajax fan. I mean, I'm not that huge of a football fan here, to be honest. I'm more of a F1 fan. So for me, I was yesterday watching Formula 1 and not football. So I'm sorry, but yeah, definitely for the people that are here for Ajax, yeah, congratulations that they won the cup here. So let me also see Lionel E is saying, can you look at Ethereum Classic and recommend a trade exit? So let me go into Ethereum Classic here. And of course, Ethereum Classic has been it's been pumping. I've bought some Ethereum Classic on $5 for the fun in the bear market. So that was, of course, pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's been performing very good. But what do we have to see, and what do we have to say here right now? And right away, recommend a trade exit. Recommend a trade exit. I mean, for me, if I look to my technical chart here, you can see over here, higher high getting formed here. Lower high getting formed on the RSI. So what is this telling us? This is telling us that we're creating a huge bearish divergence, that we're probably going to stop out pretty significantly. So please be careful already. For me, this is right away giving me the opportunity to exit the market. And I mean, it is also providing me a very good opportunity to do so right now. So I mean, I should be ready to go out of it, in my opinion. I should be already looking to go out of it right now. But also, guys, yeah, I mean, this is, of course, the last extension level. That was also the reason why it was providing so many resistance in the past there. But you want to be very careful with it, in my opinion. I mean, 49.6 cents there, 49.60 cents here is definitely a good take profit area in my opinion. And I mean, yeah, you're creating this big bearish divergence, already created a wick on the stop side. For me, I want to be careful with this project, but yes, I do think it can be going even higher. But yeah, guys, I already can't wait to see what we're going to do. And it's definitely very exciting times for Ethereum Classic, but creating this big bearish divergence on the daily candles, you want to be very careful. You want to be very careful, and it is just not a smart. First of all, if you want to be accumulating it, I should be really staying on the sidelines. But if you're standing right now, you're not doing a bad job. You're not doing a bad job. And of course, this bearish divergence is really giving me the sign of a reversal. So that's also my reason to say here you want to be going out of it. So Andrew donating to the channel. Andrew Bullman, you're saying Sushi Swap and Luna. So let me go into Sushi Swap for you, my friend. Guys, also for the people that are just tuned into the channel here, 3D Nick. Can you check out mug or giveaway? 3D Nick, you're always so funny. You're always so funny. You're always so funny, man. But I mean, 3D Nick, to quickly answer your question, I already saw you saying, oh, there's going to be a mug giveaway once reaching the 40k. Guys, no. Yes, there will be a mug giveaway. There will be also a ledger giveaway. So, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now because we're exactly 20 subscribers away before reaching the 40k. I can't wait to see once we're going to reach it. But, Nick, you have to know, guys, if you want to be participating in this mug plus ledger giveaway, guys, you have to join the Discord. And, of course, like I told you before, I will be opening the giveaway later today. I can't open it right away because I'm very busy today. Of course, I'm going to stream right now. And after the stream, I right away have to go out here because I have to go to the airport. So, guys, what you can be expecting from me is that I later today will be opening the giveaway form in the Discord. So please make sure to keep your eyes out on Discord if you want to be joining it. But guys, we're exactly 16 subscribers away. 16 subscribers. Can I believe it? No, I can't. Guys, can we be reaching it right now? It will be, of course, very amazing if we can do so. 16 subscribers. I can't believe it, I can't believe it. So, Sushi Swap currently, you can see here downward sloping resistance line getting formed here, currently trading on it once again. And of course also what you can see here is the golden pocket entry, what was providing so many support in the past. We are currently trading on it. So what do I expect? I expect a rejection because golden pocket entry, golden pocket resistance coming together. Oh, guys, only 10 right now. Golden pocket resistance coming together with this down sloping resistance line. Guys, we're exactly 10 subscribers away. I can't believe it. We're so close. We're so close. So, yeah, I mean, I definitely think that we can be getting this rejection from here on because two major resistance lines coming together probably will be pushing down the price here. Let's see what we'll be doing here, but I don't anticipate a breakthrough to this level. But if we are going to break through this level on this 4-hourly candle, or daily candle, do want to be seeing a breakthrough to golden pocket entry and this resistance line. And if we then, of course, find some support on it, this can be definitely providing a big uptrend and can be definitely providing a move to the upside, of course. So, yes, let's see how this will be ending, but definitely feel very excited about it. Can't wait to see how this will be moving, of course. But yeah, the golden pocket entry, if we can be breaking above it, yeah, I mean, we're definitely starting a new uptrend. And I mean, the swap exchange has been performing very well here. So yeah, let's see how it will be going here. But guys, I can currently see that we just reached the 40k subscribers, guys. Thank you so much. I mean, it's going crazy right now. It's absolutely going crazy. And I see also Amir right now donating to the channel. You're saying, I wish you a safe trip to Dubai, brother. Thank you so much, Amir. Thank you so much for your support of the nation. Rodrigo, I will be going into your request as well here in a second. But guys, I want to quickly say to you guys, thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button. Thank you so much for being a part of the channel. I mean, already 40k, guys. What is going to be next? I don't know here. Of course, once reaching the 50k or so, we're going to do an even insane giveaway. Of course, we're just getting started on the channel, guys, and I just want to quickly take this moment here to say to you guys all, thank you so much here. Thank you so much for becoming, supporting the channel all, and of course, it's really lovely to see here, and I will be getting it out of the screen right now because, yeah, of course, we already reached the target. So, guys, thank you so much. We will be looking for the next targets anytime soon here. Of course, it will be an insane journey, and I see everyone saying it in the chat here, 40k, guys. I mean, what is going to be next? We're 40k. This is absolutely insane. 40k subscribers, guys. I can't believe it. It went so quickly. We just started the channel off in February. Right now, it's, of course, May, and we are already sitting on 40k. We are absolutely... yeah, going so quickly, and of course I'm very glad that you guys are supporting the channel so much here, and of course we're not going to stop anytime soon. We're never going to stop here with the channel. We're going to do this every single day till I fall, until I can't anymore. So yeah, I mean 100k incoming, guys. Yeah, guys, we will be reaching it. Hopefully we can be reaching it this year. That will be absolutely insane if we can be doing it before the end of the year. I mean, for me, it will be, of course, very cool, and for me, I'm very motivated, and this 40k because we're reaching it right now. This is, of course, true motivation for me. And I see also Skylar Song donating to the channel. Thank you so much for your donation here. And you're sending me a sticker with goals. So thank you so much for supporting the channel, man. It's really amazing that you guys are always here supporting the channel. You also, I mean, everyone. I mean, I can't talk about some people and say special thanks to you, but I mean, thank you to you guys all here in the chat. Thank you guys all. I mean, I truly love you guys all here. So also Doodle News donate to the channel. Enjoy Dubai, be grateful on your views and on Feta and Send. So I will be going to Feta and Send in a second, but Doodle, also thank you for your thank you for your donation as well here. But we'll be going into it in a second. But first, I see Rodrigo donate to the channel as well here, and you're saying, can you please look at Chili's and Cedar. So I will be going to Chili's because I see also a lot of requests still coming in here, and guys, and I'm very tight with my time today, so that's my reason to say as well. That's my reason to say here today. I just have to be. I just don't have the time. I just don't have all the time here, and that's the reason why I will be doing it in an rapid pace here. Why I can't discuss every single thing here today. So you may as well just stay your. Wait, what you're saying, Trustfire? You may as well just stay your plane left then. I mean, no, I will be not staying. I will be not staying. I will be definitely not missing it out here. I definitely will be not missing it out. But no, my plane will be not leaving without me. And of course, I will be just right on time here. So yeah, of course, looking forward to it. Everything went well here. I mean, there were maybe some struggles with the pandemic and etc. So that it was maybe not going. But yeah, right now, of course, everything is fixed here. So for me, everything is settled. So I already can't wait here. But yeah, let's see what it's doing here with Chili's. Of course, Chili's been consolidating as well here for a very well amount of time here. And of course, if you maybe look at some extension levels. We can be looking. Maybe let me set it up this. Let me set up this chart a little bit different. Let me look at the retracement levels here for price action of Chili's. You can see right away. A very exciting chart, and I want to be doing it differently. By the way, I will be setting up some daily levels of support and resistance for Chili's for you, my friend. So if you look to the daily support and daily resistance, you can see here we're creating here the lows. And let me set up everything correctly. Also, this high was created over here, and you can see once again providing resistance here. And also some highs were a very important low was created over here. So let's see what we are currently can learn from this chart, what we are currently looking at. So, I mean, yeah, there's a lot of consolidation going around between the 56 cents and the 54 cents here. So it's definitely very exciting to see that we are consolidating between these ranges. And let's see what we're going to do, because definitely I feel very excited about it. And I definitely think that we can be seeing a move to either direction anytime soon here. So it's very exciting to see what we're going to do. Definitely think that we can be still going towards the 44 cents before really moving higher. So yeah, Chili's is still consolidating. For me, yeah, you set a new high, but yeah, like expected, new high getting created, but lower high in the RSI, because yeah, you were massively overextended. And always, guys, in a parabolic run up, you don't want to be buying into it. You want to be buying the lows. But for me, I still would be saying be careful with Chili's, because probably it's going to see is probably going to give you a very a significant drop-off. And someone is asking me, will you be streaming from Dubai? Yes, guys, I will be streaming from Dubai. Please, I will be, of course, not stopping streaming, guys. I will be always streaming from everywhere where I will be always streaming, guys, because we are not going to stop anytime soon here. We're never going to stop, like I told you before. So very excited to see in this chart here. Of course, getting this rejection by the previous high as well here. We set a little bit of a higher high here, but do want to be seeing some more volatility getting created. So yeah, let's see how this will be performing like. And of course, yeah, the structure is still looking valid, but of course, you're still sending lower lows. Let's see how this will be performing. If we can be breaking up to 56 cents here, this will be very lovely, because yeah, there was not a lot of trading going around on the top side. And here is all the consolidation. So of course, if we're going to go to if we're going to break the 56 cents here, we can be looking for higher price anytime soon here. Also, if you flip onto the MACD here, I mean, MACD is still looking very neutral in my opinion. Not really setting. Yeah, you are setting a higher low. But yeah, let's see what we'll be doing. Also, a lower high was getting created. Still on a downtrend here, of course. Let's see what it will be performing. Hopefully, we can be curving back to the upside. Of course, MACD daily crossover. MACD bullish crossover on the daily. For LLE, MACD is looking particularly bullish. So let's see how this will be performing like. Still feel very excited about it. Hopefully, we can be seeing some more moves to the upside getting created anytime soon here, guys. So, yeah, Amir, still thank you so much for wishing me also a good trip here. I thought I already told you, but Amir, yeah, of course, Amir, true amazing legend here as well on the channel. ABC Productions, right? ABC Productions, big shout out to you, man. ABC Productions. So Doodle Doos donating to the channel as well here. You're saying, oh, hi, Proto Rover. Enjoy Dubai. Thank you so much here. Be grateful of your views on Feta and Sand. So let me first start with Feta, because yes, I think Feta is definitely also a very cool asset and very exciting asset that we can be looking at. And what you can currently see with the price action of Feta What we can currently see with the price action of Fed here, guys, is that we are forming a beautiful upper sloping support line. First of all, only 2 touch points. We want to be seeing some more touch points coming in here, but also if you look at the Fibonacci here, well, in there, Rover, we will be going into Ethereum in a second here once again, because yes, I see Ethereum is been performing very well here. Ethereum is been performing very beautiful, and I just can't wait to see what we're going to do here. So, I mean, for Fed token, what you can see over here, a very beautiful scenario playing out. Of course, you can see a top we're going to create here. We set up this Fibonacci retracement tool here, and you can see that we're finding beautiful support on the golden pocket entry, and also getting another support of the nation here coming in here. Can you please look at bakery swap, bake, of course. Let me go into that in a second as well. Thank you for support of the nation. But you can currently see here high getting created on the $15.8 US. Very beautiful to see. Besides that, you're forming a beautiful uptrend here, and also currently you're trading on the 10 point above the $10.8 US, and that's of course the golden pocket entry. And I like to talk about the golden pocket entry, and especially because Bitcoin is reversing. Bitcoin is trending to the upside once again here. I should be definitely saying to you guys as well, I should be looking to only trade long right now. I should not be looking to trade short. And I see Bitcoin is going up massively, and Ethereum as well, guys. We'll be going into it in a second, but guys, to finish up my thoughts on Fed, I mean, yeah, of course, trading above the golden pocket entry, you're setting a higher low. Definitely, you can be going towards $12.75 here, in my opinion. Also, if you identify the trend here on the MACD here, it's still basically announced on daily, was very expected, but probably on the 4-hour, like you can see already, higher low structure getting formed here. And of course, the daily MACD is of course a lacking indicator, and the 4-hourly is of course front running the market a little bit here. So that's my reason to say, yeah, the 4-hourly candles is looking particularly good here. You're losing selling pressure, and you're moving up here, almost having a bullish crossover. It is definitely providing you insane buying opportunities. So I already can't wait to see what we're going to do with it. I definitely feel very excited, and I just can't wait where it is going to go towards, and I definitely think we can be seeing some higher prices anytime soon here. And Fed is definitely in very good asset. And of course, like I told you before, in general, what I think about NFTs is the market of the NFTs is just getting started, and you definitely want to be getting in on it. And I think NFTs have so much potential still to grow, and of course, Fed and Chilis will be big assets in that market. So can't wait to see what we're going to do here. Of course, trading on the golden pocket entry. Of course, we're still in a lower low structure, also in a lower high structure, because yeah, we did close a lower high candle over here. So let's see what we'll be doing here. But definitely think the consolidation right now, and because Bitcoin is moving up, we can be seeing some higher prices as well for the price action of Fed. But let me real quickly go into Bake. Before really going into Bitcoin, guys. After this, we'll be going to Bitcoin Ethereum. Give me a moment, because yes, I see that Ethereum is going towards $3,200 and it's definitely important to discuss. So what are we looking for Bake? I mean, we were looking first of all with Bake in the past, of course, beautiful descending triangle, bearish bias pattern, broke to the upside, reached a price target, corrected to the downside. And after this is right now moving up here. So I see everyone saying in the chat, Bitcoin pumping. And I mean, look at this chart from Bakery, guys. This is absolutely insane. Let me set up a Fibonacci extension. I think that we even can't find the extension levels. I think we can't even find the extension. I think we can't even find the extension levels because it's already so overextended. No, it's not even so overextended. So you can see here. Let me flip maybe to the daily candles. Yeah, I mean, daily candles is quite okay here. You can see the daily candles is showing a lot of significance in my opinion. So you can see break through the 1.618, finding support on it. So what I do expect here, because we also broke through the 2.618 here yesterday, I do think these swap exchanges are performing very well here. Especially Bakery is also very good. Good one. Let me quickly go to Bakery token. Bakery token. I said swap exchanges. Excuse me. I just sometimes just talk a little bit. I was just with cake in my head. Cake and bake. They're so confusing. Of course, built on Binance Smart Chain, collectible NFT. Been performing very well here recently. And you can see over here, because also with the previous one, once we were breaking through the Fibonacci level, we were retesting it and finding support on it. So what you can currently see here, yes, we broke through the 2.618. Yes, that's very nice to see, very beautiful to see. And also what you can currently see here is that we are, in this daily candle over here, we are moving a little bit to the downside. And I do expect, and for the people that are still willing to accumulate some, I should be looking for the $6.51 here, in my opinion, because that's a retest of the 2.618 here, major level that we first find resistance on, right now finding support on, and definitely if we're heading towards that level, it will be providing you a massive buying opportunity. So I already can't wait to see what we're going to do here, and I definitely think it has way more potential to break even higher towards the $8.69 here. So definitely very exciting, and I can't wait to see what it will be performing like. So Guys, let me quickly look into Ethereum. Let me quickly go into Ethereum. And yeah, you can see Ethereum is even increasing more and more and more to the upside. Yeah, so if you look to this chart, if you look to this daily candles over here, you can see the next major target, the first major target. Yeah, I will be saying the major target is $3,800, but my first target here, $3,431. Definitely very exciting target that we can be reaching anytime soon here. So please keep your eyes out for that target. Very exciting that we are heading towards that. And of course, yeah, I mean, to $3,200 is absolutely insane here for Ethereum. And of course, Bitcoin also showing more volatility to the upside. It's definitely very beautiful to see here. If you set up the Fibonacci for Bitcoin, I mean, the 59.8K is the major retracement levels that we want to be breaking through. Of course, the 56.6K was also coming together with the golden pocket entry, but yeah, right now we're heading towards the 59.8K here. So keep your eyes out for Bitcoin, because probably there will be a level that we will be finding some resistance on. So please keep your eyes out on it. And guys, by the way, if you haven't already subscribed to Crypto Tutorials channel as well, make sure to check it out. It's on my homepage. Definitely worth to check them out as well. And I mean, also quickly want to be saying this, guys, only 21 followers away here on Twitter, and I always give you guys some updates here as well here about Ethereum break critical resistance, and that my next big target is $3,800, like I just told you. And also just usually we're talking about a lot of good stuff here about crypto. So if you're willing to follow me as well here on Twitter, will be amazing, of course. Building up the Twitter profile is definitely cool if you want to be following us over there. So yeah, also for Bitcoin, I mean, yeah, we're heading towards the 59.8K. If we can be reaching the target, it will be absolutely insane if we can do so, because yes, it's a major target. It's a major target. For Bitcoin, of course, you can see in the past, major resistance got found over there. So for me, I definitely expect that we're going to get a correction. But guys, if we are not going to get a correction from the 59.8K, and if we're just going to smash through it on the 4-hourly candles as well, we're probably heading towards the previous ultimate in a very rapid pace here. So yes, I do feel already very excited about it, and I already can't wait to see what we're going to do. And I just definitely in general can't wait to see where we will be standing here in the coming week here. And of course, and we will be discussing the market from out of Dubai. So for me, it will be also very good. If the market is performing well, I always feel very good in my mood. So yeah, I mean, even if the market is performing bad, I just even feel better because it's providing me buying opportunities. So definitely very exciting what we can currently see and that we're currently having as well here. Portfolio is also increasing very quickly, and I definitely think 59.8K for the leverage traders as well. I mean, taking partial profits is never bad here, but in general, I do think, yeah, we are on an uptrend, and if we're going to get corrected, we're definitely going to go higher from that point as well. So for me, it will be probably a lot of struggles to break through this level, but at the end of the day, we're definitely going to break through. So very exciting days ahead of us, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do like. So what are we having as well here? Let me see. Also, another donation coming in here from, let me see, from Renyosh, see, you were saying, are you expecting a small dip in Bitcoin before it's hitting its all-time high again? And can you suggest a new project to hold for 2 months that I can buy right now? So, I mean, I don't want to be saying always the same thing here, but I mean, I will be saying once again, YLD is definitely an asset that you want to be looking at because it is in my top 5 list there. And if you want to be seeing my other picks here, you definitely want to be checking out this video over here. You definitely want to be checking out this video over here. In this video, we are, of course, discussing what we are... I hate advertisements. But what you can currently see here, I definitely have to get an ad blocker. But you can see in this video, we're discussing the coins that I definitely think will be performing good here and will be, of course, giving us a buying opportunity to buy into for the coming month of May. So definitely make sure to check out the video if you're willing to look at my top 5 picks for May. And of course, guys, these are not picks because... These are not picks because if you're, let's say, always use the coins that are performing very good, you're probably getting more views on YouTube, but that's not what I'm going to do here. Of course, guys, these titles, yeah, it's YouTube. You have to get views, right? So otherwise, you're never going to become big here. So yeah, for that video, I definitely think that these top 5 picks are definitely my personal 5 favorite picks here, and it's definitely going to perform very well here. And I already can't wait to see where PancakeSwap will be standing, where YLD will be standing, where Chainlink will be standing, Cardano as well. I think these assets are all very, very good projects what you can be looking to buy into. So it's definitely worth to check out if you're willing to see my thoughts for the coming month here. So yeah, for Bitcoin, I mean, Ethereum is still taking up more territory compared to Bitcoin. You see it as well playing out in the Bitcoin dominance. It's even falling more and more to the downside. So let's see what we'll be doing here. But for Bitcoin, of course, guys, also, if you want to be staying up to date here, make sure to just follow me on Instagram here. I see also a lot of new people following me over here. If you want to be staying up to date of my personal life, if you want to be staying up to date about the crypto updates, definitely follow me as well on Instagram, because I usually make these stories on Instagram where I talk about what we are currently doing in the market as well. So definitely make sure to check out my stories over there, because I usually give yeah, things what I do in my personal life, and as well what I'm going to do if I'm seeing something very interesting on the chart. And guys, maybe if you guys want me to, we'll be probably making some more updates as well later today. So definitely very exciting days ahead of us. And I see also people are saying congrats on your 40K. So still, thank you so much, Jose. I see you're also asking for a reef. So probably will be getting to reef as well here. But I'm very tight with my time here, and probably will be wrapping up the stream anytime soon here. Because yes, I still have to do some things here and have to go to the airport in a second. So very exciting, of course, with Harmony One, which you can currently see. 14.7 cents here, very exciting what we are currently trading on. And we've been talking about if we can finally break through the top side of this resistance, we can be probably finding support on it. And currently what you can see here, yes, we were finding support on it, but we're finding support on the lower side here. But definitely I still think we're looking particularly healthy. We're setting higher lows here, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do. It's definitely looking like a good buying opportunity, and it's for me not it's currently not giving me a sell signal, and for me it's really giving me a buying signal. So I definitely feel very excited about Harmony One, and I think we can be definitely looking for higher prices anytime sooner. So I already can't wait to see how we are going to perform like. But definitely, let's see where we will be standing here in the coming weeks here. And I definitely think, yeah, we are of course breaking through this critical level of resistance. We probably will be moving up even more significant. You're setting higher highs, higher lows. So yeah, Harmony One is looking particularly well here, and particularly valid as well here. So KG also donating to the channel. KG is saying Ethereum drops soon here, better sell now and buy back later. And this is the biggest mistake that you can probably be making here. Of course, I'm not saying that Ethereum is not going to fall, but you're saying, oh, I'm going to sell right here, buy back later. But you don't want to be timing your market with your holding position. What you can be doing, KG, is maybe leverage trading, because that's exactly the same, only with a different amount of your portfolio. At least that is my strategy, because in my strategy, I'm not going to time the market with my holding position, because if you're going to sell now and the market decides to go higher, I have to buy back in a higher price, right? So for me, no, I will be not doing it. So I should be really taking it with a lot of caution, and in my opinion it's not a good approach that you should be doing it. So please be careful. I don't think it's a good strategy to sell right now and buy back cheaper. Yeah, of course it can be also a probability, but Ethereum is not running into major resistance right now. We are in price discovery. So yeah, what I truly anticipate for Ethereum is first that it is heading towards the 3,431 US dollars before really taking some profits. And if you're going to see that, yeah, maybe you're seeing a 200 US dollar dip, but before that I don't truly anticipate it. And the reason why I'm saying this, I mean, you want to be looking at Bitcoin, because yes, Bitcoin is still the leading indicator. And yeah, what you can be looking at is that Bitcoin is still has more room to grow here. And I definitely think that we can be first heading towards 59.8K before really seeing this retracement coming in here. So please, don't try and time the market with your holding position. Imagine selling your Ethereum, lol. I mean, guys, I will be also not selling my holding position, of course. I'm currently not in a trade for Ethereum, but I really want to be accumulating a trade, but I want to be waiting on a retracement. But of course, I'm never going to sell it. I'm never going to sell it for this cheap price here. I mean, 3,100 US dollars. If you're waiting another 3 months here, probably you can be selling it for 5,000 or maybe 6,000 US dollars. So for me, there's no reason to sell your Ethereum right now. For me, there's no reason to sell any of my crypto yet here, guys. I mean, well, if you're going to sell your crypto, guys, listen up. If you are going to sell your crypto, what are you going to sell to? Are you going to sell to the trash fiat? Are you going to sell to the trash fiat that you're currently having on your bank account, was only getting less and less worth every single year? I mean, that's not a strategy that I should be using. I don't like fiat. I would rather hold more Bitcoin than fiat. I would rather hold my Bitcoin through the bear market than holding fiat. I mean, what do you have on fiat? It's literally worthless. And you know, there will be coming a big economic crisis, because we're insane. I mean, the world is, the government is printing insane amounts of money. What will be, of course, giving us a big economic crisis. We can't pay our bills anymore. We will be kicked out of our houses. I say we, but a lot of people will be kicked out of their houses, because we are hedging against inflation. We are hedging against it because we are in a crypto. We are in Bitcoin. Of course, always make sure you have enough Bitcoin. Don't only be exposed to altcoins. Be exposed to Bitcoin as well here. It's irresponsible if you're not exposed to Bitcoin. So yeah, I mean, guys, what are you going to sell your Ethereum? If you're going to sell your Ethereum, what are you going to sell it for? Are you going to sell it back for your euros? Are you going to sell it back for your dollars? I mean, what do you the dollar is worthless. It's not a thing that I should be doing here. So yeah, let's see. The dollar index is, by the way, while I'm saying it's worthless, it's been increasing for the past day here. You can see a big increase in the price here, but it's definitely not too bad here. Not too bad. We were looking at symmetrical triangles, or fake out to the downside. Maybe you can still see this volatility getting created to the downside anytime soon here. Hopefully we can be still getting this one. Very exciting, of course. Definitely think that we can still get this, the volatility getting created anytime soon here. Very, very exciting chart here. Of course, dollar index, biggest enemy of the Bitcoin chart. Of course, once the dollar index is decreasing, once they are printing more money, Bitcoin will be going higher, because the dollar is getting less and less worth. So I'm holding until the 32 Ethereum club. Let's see. I mean, you're saying Ethereum is actually better than BTC because it's more useful. I mean, I will be not saying I don't think that Ethereum is better than Bitcoin. I know there are a lot of Ethereum maximalists. I know there are a lot of altcoin maximalists. But in the end of the day, guys, it is Bitcoin what will be leading the market. It will be Bitcoin what will be always leading the market. It will be never getting overtaken. It is gold, the Bitcoin standard. Bitcoin will be used to back money in the future. I mean, no, nothing will be overtaking Bitcoin. And people are saying, yeah, the use cases for Bitcoin are good, but Bitcoin is just a store of value. Bitcoin is just a store of value. And of course, maybe you're saying Ethereum is as well a store of value, but I know for sure Bitcoin is never going to be a payment method, but it's just a store of value to secure your wealth. And that is the reason why also always Bitcoin will be the one. And I mean, besides that, Bitcoin is never getting more than 21. There will be never more than 21 million Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has true scarcity. And Ethereum, they're just coming more and more Ethereum on the market. And of course, yes, they are getting a lot of Ethereums. I mean, you want to be just careful. And of course, they're probably going to burn from starting from July. There's going to become less and less a circulation as well. But for Bitcoin, I mean, I just like Bitcoin a little bit more because I think it's better in my approach. Crypto.com, move, please, lol. Very cool what you're saying. Mana looks good, Dan. So let me go into Mana for you. Let me see. Count Zeppelin, you were saying Mana looks good. So yeah, Mana looks, I don't like the Kraken chart. Let me get a different chart in front of me. Mana looks good here. And let me right away remove every drawing. First of all, yeah, you took out the previous high, very good. And it was also not that overextended, so that's already a thing that I like. Of course, on daily it was. For hourly, no, it wasn't. So Bears and Virtues was getting printed over here right away, giving us a move to the downside. But of course, you can see higher lows getting formed here. Mana is definitely in a very beautiful uptrend. And Mana, by the way, it's also got the sidechain of the Polygon sidechain. If I say I say it incorrectly, but I do think that will be coming anytime soon here. That Decentraland will be also added on the sidechain of Polygon Matic. So the transaction fees from Decentraland will also be lower. So it's very exciting. But they're of course also working together with different partners, and I think it's a very good project as well here, Mana. And I can't wait to see what we'll be doing like. And I do feel very excited about it, of course, just like you do as well here. And I mean, yeah, for hourly, MACD is looking particularly good here. Daily is not looking necessarily good here because you're still having a lower high structure, lower low structure as well. So yeah, still on a downtrend. Let's see once we're going to reverse. And you know it, a downtrend will be not always here forever, and it will be reversing anytime soon here. So yes, I do feel very excited about Mana. I do feel very excited about the chart in general, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do here. I definitely feel that we can be moving up higher anytime soon here. So yeah, guys. I mean, we're already live for 2 hours, and unfortunately, I have to say one thing, because unfortunately, I will be wrapping up the stream right now. And the reason why here is because I have to catch my plane. I will be going to Dubai today. So, guys, if you are willing to follow me on my journey, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I see a lot of you guys are writing follow me over here. So, it will be, of course, very amazing if we can reach 4K followers anytime soon here. If you want to be following my journey, Instagram at CryptoYT, you can be follow me over there. But, guys, thank you so much for watching to the stream here once again. We reached the 40K subscribers. I'm so grateful. I'm so pleased that you guys are, of course, once again tuned in here. And why, yeah, you're saying WAJI, you're saying, okay, please check H-bar, but unfortunately I have to head out right now because I still have to figure out some things here before going out here. Guys, the 40K giveaway will be up in, let's say, 4 hours approximately, because once I'm at the airport, I will be right away fixing that. So guys, make sure to keep out your Discord, make sure to keep your eyes out on the Discord server for the 40K giveaway here. And Crypto Aaron still thanking me on the 40K subs here, so thank you so much here. And of course, guys, thank you so much here. Have a safe trip, guys. Truly amazing. And for the people that haven't subscribed to the channel yet here, make sure to do so, because guys, yeah, we are almost going to reach the 40.1K already. So I mean, already very exciting, guys. Thank you so much for hitting that subscriber button once again on the channel. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much for your amazing comments. And I see Dean Harvey also saying, have a good trip for the 40K. Thank you so much. This is my 40K celebration for me. 40K celebration. So thank you so much, guys. Hopefully I'm going to see you guys back later today. Maybe I'm going to make another video later today once I'm going to arrive over there. So please make sure to keep your eyes out on the channel. Tomorrow, of course, I will be already back with a new stream here. That is something that I can already guarantee you. But thank you so much for watching, guys. It was an amazing day here. And hopefully you're going to have an amazing day as well here. And make sure to don't FOMO into everything here. Make sure to keep your eyes on Bitcoin. And of course, the 50, and one last thing that I want to be saying here, guys. The 59.8K is definitely a major level of resistance. If we can be break through it, I will be flipping extremely bullish. And of course, keeping you guys up to date on the Instagram and Discord server. So guys, thank you so much for watching. and peace out.